morning, ladies and gentlemen, from wherever you're joining us today in the world. Welcome to the Digital CX Awards 2022. My name is Nirav Patel. I'm the Managing Director of Global Private Banker and the Digital Banker. Delighted to be joined this afternoon here live in the Digital Banker studio by my co-host, Angelique Teo. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining today. I'm really delighted today to be honouring all of the institutions that have submitted granular submissions across all financial services verticals. Today is really your day, ladies and gentlemen. We're here to first and foremost commemorate your achievements and your innovation across digital customer experience. This program really exists to showcase your efforts in game-changing customer experiences. And for those of you who may be unfamiliar with the Digital Banker, we are essentially a business insights, market research and awards body to the worldwide financial ecosystem. And we actually received well over 600 submissions. That's a substantial amount from 138 institutions worldwide. I couldn't be happier to really thank you all for the relentless efforts that you've put through to put together these submissions. It really allows us to benchmark the best innovation and best practices in the industry and allow us to really provide insights and analysis for you and your strategic planning in the years to come and to prepare for the digital decade ahead. Now, DCX is one of our flagship assessment programs. It covers all financial services verticals from retail banking through to wealth management, SME banking, private wealth, and of course, transaction and institutional banking as well.
That's right, Nirav, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We have an action-packed gala just for you, and we will commence with the World CX Leaders Symposium, where several of our honorees will deliver 2 to 3 minute insights. Now, we'll then move swiftly into the main awards gala ceremony, where you'll meet all of today's honorees and get a chance to hear from them as they receive their awards. Now, please take note of the virtual lobby, which you would have all entered this gala through. There are a number of interactive features in this lobby which have been designed specifically for our honorees. You can also download some of the Digital Banker's collateral, such as magazines and post-awards reports, and you're also able to use the photo booth to take your own photos to commemorate your achievements today. Now, please note that today's gala is being streamed live on LinkedIn and Facebook, and the full recording shall be made available to all of our readers and subscribers over the next few days.
Thanks so much, Ange. And yeah, just to run up on that point, the interactive lobby is really there for you to actually download the interactive features that we've put up from our magazines, but also to really showcase your efforts to your teams as well. So do take full advantage of it. We've designed it over the years to really fit in what our honorees have asked for. So it's a pleasure to be able to host you all today. We are going to be going into our CX Leaders Forum in a moment, where we have 9 CX world leaders who will be talking a little bit around their initiatives and really what customers can expect, over the next couple of years. Just before we do that, I just wanted to make you all aware that with these 600 submissions, it's exceptionally difficult for us to deliver insights today. So what we have done is we've created a granular forum just for the C-suite and also for sort of mid-level directors and senior managers. And this is really going to be deep diving into our submissions. Whilst we'll be keeping all information confidential, of course, it really allows us to showcase the trends and the patterns that we're seeing in the digital CX space across FSI from all lines and all verticals. And this is going to be run in late August by our head of research. So if you want to get involved, please visit thedigitalbanker.com or get in touch with one of our team. We'll be delighted to see you on the day. Shall we jump in straight into the World Leaders Symposium?
We absolutely shall. Now, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed honorees, it's now time to hear from our CX leaders. So please allow me to welcome our first speaker. We have Mr. Brian Hui, Head of Customer Propositions, International and Marketing, Wealth and Personal Banking from HSBC Hong Kong, and he'll be talking about the Bank of the Future. Please take away, Brian.
Thank you. Can you hear me?
We can hear you loud and clear, Brian. Go ahead.
All right, great. So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank the Digital Banker for inviting me to speak at the symposium. And it is indeed my pleasure and our pleasure to be able to connect with our fellow industry leaders, across the world and share how we can together address the ever-changing customer need and transform the customer journey across digital touchpoint, particularly in such a paradigm shift period that we're all facing. All this kind of customer might have difficulty to touch the traditional physical point of contact, but we start to promote this kind of home banking and remote banking concept. And as the largest digital bank in Hong Kong, HSBC's understand the new generation of mobile native customers that we want more than traditional banking. And we aim to be adaptive and deliver inclusive features for people of all ages, be it mobile cash withdrawal, first in the market mobile check deposit, or personal financial management tool. Our digital vision is to create a mobile-first bank in the pocket. That means that if we only have one penny, then we will, all in that one penny into the mobile development, and to answer the customers' changing, digital behavior through data and artificial intelligence. We are spending over $5 billion US every year to tap into the fintech solution. So literally, we are one of the largest fintech incubator in Hong Kong, even though we are the bank ourselves. So we incubate. So going digital is a natural process like evolution, and our customers have dramatically increased mobile banking usage over the last few years, reinforced by the disruption to conventional business working during the COVID period. And to sustain such rapid change, we have introduced more than 140 new features and enhancement. That's about roughly one new feature per working day in the last year. And we have year over year 26% log on than last year. So with our scale, I think that's beneficial. The title itself is a bank of the future. We believe that digital has been happening for more than 20 years, but it's the time now that when we look into the future, we work backward from the future into the present. That means it's just not about digital or physical. It's an immersive experience. It's OMO. It's all about how we can ensure our customers, when they need banking, it's all on demand. It's just right there, right at the moment. So I think that's the area we strive for. And it's all depending on AI, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and predictive power. And I give you two examples. The first one is personal financial management, what we call PFM. Our budget function, a personal financial management tool, is the best used case of AI application where we turn customer data into insight. And we took reference of massive transactional data that has been created through our banking operation and apply AI and machine learning to understand the behavioral patterns of every customer segment. What does it mean? It means basically in the past, when you run on mobile, you run on PC, it's all transactional based. It's customer who log on to do the banking. What does it mean today? Today, basically, if you have the scale, you have the data, we run the data, understand your behavior, and we push the insight to a customer. And based on that, customer can, based on a recommendation, and then to understand their roadmap, understand their life cycle, then we make recommendation. So entire game is being changed. Instead of on just based on the customer need, we also make recommendation. The game, so customer is willing to subscribe to check in their mobile every day in order to understand the recommendation. And since the launch of this new feature in January this year, we have gathered more than 880K users just within 2 months and over 2 million visits. This new feature is particularly welcomed by young millennials and the insight, and they just use the entire social media to talk about, oh, you know what, I understand, other users similar to my profile, what they are doing, what they are spending, and how I can improve my financial well-being in this regard. Town home in the branch is the second case. During the COVID period, the entire city is locked down, branch is locked down, customer no access point, so difficult, they need to bank with us. Then we turn all the digital capability into home banking. Then instead, the concept is basically talking about customer can stay at their home to run the banking. So instead of going to branch, basically to just use the mobile, can do everything they want. The new paradigm has further solidified our commitment to building a banking in your pocket customer experience. Say, opening a bank account has been just less than 5 minutes, and then as well as a mobile check deposit, as well as we First in the market, we create Zoom banking. So customer can just use Zoom to bank without our end. So we reduce all this kind of friction traditionally create. Overall, all of the above is just about the tip of the iceberg. And thanks to our hardworking team, the digital enhancement has brought in 1.6 million monthly active users with over 100,000 users, giving us an average rating 4.7 on the App Store. With all the changes in customer behavior in banking, strategic customer experience will only become more vital as the trends that will accelerate during the pandemic. So thank you for your time today. It's still day 0, day 1. We all need to work together to embrace the future and then to co-develop the digital experience and set higher standard for our customer, for the industry. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Brian. Some very notable achievements there. And obviously, as at the Digital Banker, we do follow a lot of banks and how they incubate new fintech models. So it's interesting to see banks creating new business models through the lens of fintech as well. Ladies and gents, I would ask if you could try your best to keep the speeches to no longer than 3 minutes. Not that we don't want to hear from you. We absolutely love to, but we've just got a plethora of awards to get through today. Brian, thank you so much for that. You'll hear more from Brian later on, and also a lot of the other honorees that you'll meet. Please allow me to introduce our next speaker on the CX panel, and that is the Chief Technology Officer from SC Ventures at Standard Chartered Bank. And here we have Thorsten Newman. Thorsten, the floor is yours. Great to see you.
Thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to participate in this symposium. And I really just summarizing SC Ventures as the innovation arm of the bank and really driving the change and digitalization, leaving no stone unturned, right, in this pursuit of disruptive business models and how we can move the bank forward. As you might have seen, our tagline, rewiring the DNA of banking. And that speaks very broadly to banking in general, right? Rethinking how to approach these opportunities, especially during the time of the pandemic, and derive the most impact, right? We do that by experimentation, we do that by innovation, we do that by prototyping and collaborating with the bank. And we've seen a lot of success over the last 18 months in that we've really been able to push some initiatives forward at a great pace, solutions such as electronic signature signing, enabling convenience to customers. Our project that we've submitted to the DX, really focusing on inclusion and family and collaboration and kind of interactiveness. So while everybody's stuck at home, there's an ability to engage the whole family and go beyond. We do this through our daring approach. We've got a collaborative culture. And so overall, I think SC Ventures is here to bring optionality to the bank. And I think we've been doing that with great success. There's obviously lots of learnings in the journey. And I think we're holding hands together with the bank and with our peers in driving innovation forward. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Thorsten. And up next, we have the Group Head of Customer Experience Management from CIMB.
Well, the pandemic has definitely fast-tracked the digital agenda. And I think more than anything else, it's created more digital savvy customers that demand very easy and effortless interactions. And that has indeed pushed many organizations to accelerate and augment their digital agenda by making rapid adjustments on existing operating models and also embracing new models. However, as we kind of navigate this, we need to be very mindful of one other effect of COVID, where I think consumers believe their lives will be very different for the foreseeable future. A lot of them feel very vulnerable. They're less secure and less in control than ever before. And I think a lot of our customers are quite anxious. So while these behaviors and interaction levels have already changed drastically, the engagement model from physical to digital, it is the evolution of customer needs, attitudes, and emotions that will, really disrupt how most organizations compete. And I think the one thing that would really differentiate most organizations, it will be building trust. And, within our organization as well, I think that building trust piece has become the most important thing of my CX strategy. And so I asked myself, how do you build trust? So one of the things is, of course, as a bank, you have to always act with integrity. So do what is right for your customers, treat them fairly. Whether it's need-based solutioning to being transparent, being flexible, giving spot-on suitable advice, or for that matter, giving customers peace of mind. The second thing is go the extra mile when you resolve issues or you give solutions to clients. Accelerate the focus on really doing, firstly, owning the situation and then also fixing it with urgency. This includes keeping them fully involved and informed about how you're resolving things. And at the same time, as an organization, finding ways to fix these problems so that they don't recur. The other thing is empathy, and I can't stress on this enough because I think empathy is a very big part of building trust. We need to show our customers that we truly care, whether it's the safety or their well-being. And I think there's been this huge shift in the way we are operating, even in our physical spaces. But more important than that, as more customers become a lot more digitally savvy, we got to give them the same peace of mind when they do interactions digitally. So please do prioritize your digital investments when it comes to security, safeguarding their personal data. And last but not the least, it's about minimizing effort. Yeah, there are already so many things going on in the minds of your customers. Please make sure that you take that extra effort to make their experiences as frictionless as possible. For me, I look out for three things: the correct balance on employee experience, customer experience, and the underlying operational efficiency. I do believe if we kind of embrace that, we will be also future ready as we take on the next phase of banking beyond COVID. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Manpreet. Great to see and hear from you. Let's head over next to Portugal to meet the Chief Digital Officer of Novo Banco, João Dias. Welcome, João. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me, and thank you to the Digital Banker for this opportunity to share a bit our transformation story. So Novo Banco is really in a journey to become a distinctive customer experience omni-channel bank in Portugal. We are focusing on creating a really proximate bank to our customers, a bank that is leveraging its professional company-based, commercial banking-based DNA, a bank that is focused on Portuguese customers, a bank that is open to partner with several entities to give the best solutions to our customers. And so it's in this journey that we have put in place a very, very significant digital transformation, a digital transformation that aims to develop the journeys and the personalization so that we can have the best banking experience for our customers. It's a journey, it's a transformation also that focuses on shifting the operating model of the bank from a more physical to a more digital self-service operating model, one that has much more automation and simplified processes end to end. And then it's also a transformation that is creating new sources of revenue by creating new service areas based on open banking and beyond banking solutions. So we're very proud of this journey, particularly with the impact that we're seeing on our in everything that has to do with our mobile channel. So as you will probably see in across the world, mobile has gone from a really alternative channel back in 2015 to becoming now by far the most important channel. It was less than 5% of customer touch points, is now well beyond 60-70% of our customer touch points. So it's really the primary channel to interact with our customers. That's where nearly half of our customers do their banking with us. It's a channel that is now very complete in the sense that you can do pretty much everything that you want to do with the bank from there. And it's a channel that is really optimizing and making excellent everyday banking experiences through solutions like what we've heard before, great budgeting and insight provision solutions, making the everyday banking super easy by prompting customers to do their usual transactions and pre-populating everything for them, but also by having a full commercial offering so that our banks can do everything that they need to do, from insurance to lending to investments, online, sitting on their couch from their living room. So we're very proud of this journey. Of course, it is a never-ending transformation. The pace is just going to increase as of course our customers become even more demanding and our competition becomes even faster. So we're very proud of this, and I hope you keep watching this space as we'll be offering a number of new solutions in the short run.
Thank you very much, Joao. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're a little over halfway through the symposium, and up next we'll hear from the regional product head for TTS Digital Platforms and Commercial Bank Asia from Citi, Rishi Luthria.
Thank you for the introduction and for the opportunity to share space with distinguished industry partners on this very vital topic. Improving client experience is critical for nearly every business that is going digital today in this day and age, only to be accelerated by the pandemic. Taking a client-focused approach to innovation is not just a business necessity, but an imperative that we have to deliver on. At Citi, client-centric design and innovation are core components of our culture and embedded in our DNA. We've been on a multi-year journey of co-creation and very close collaboration with our key global clients that has enabled us to solve customer pain points and deliver game-changing innovation at global scale. We understand that achieving the foundational goal of improving client experience requires unparalleled partnership with our clients, our industry partners, our regulators, as well as our technology colleagues. Being client-centric cuts across every aspect of our business and our thinking. And to bring about true digital transformation, Citi took a holistic approach to solving the client onboarding journey. We did not merely lift and shift legacy processes and overlaid that with new technology. We actually took a front to back and reimagined the client journey across policies, processes, platforms, regulations, and our people and culture. This led to the creation of Citi Direct Digital Onboarding, our marquee client onboarding solution that allows our institutional and commercial clients to open accounts, complete KYC, access our products and services digitally, globally across our network. Straight-through processing also simplifies the process for our clients, but also delivers speed and efficiency for an improved client experience. I'm very pleased to share that since we've onboarded and embarked on this journey, our clients have really adopted the digital way forward very, very relentlessly. We've seen 90% plus adoption, which is very impressive in all eligible markets and all eligible volumes. And the time taken to onboard clients has reduced drastically. This is also reflective in a significant improvement of 30 points on our voice of client, which is our true north when we design our products and solutions. Our vision for the future is to actually think beyond onboarding and cut across every aspect of transactional banking, be it initiating transactions, servicing, maintaining accounts, and we do want to leverage self-service capabilities and partner with new age companies that can solve these pain points in collaboration with Citi for our clients. And I'm pleased to share that we're well on our way to that mission. So again, thank you for the opportunity. It's an honor to be here, and I will hand that back to the host. Thank you very much.
Rishi, thank you so much, and great to hear from you. Some really interesting insights there into the initiatives that that Citi's driving. Of course, the institutional transaction banking space for the digital banker is it's a significant facet of the analysis that we provide into the market. We're seeing now sort of sizable shifts there with digitizing everything from trade finance to sustainability in the supply chain. Just a lot of interesting topics that are going up. So. Please do follow us to get more information on that. And again, you'll be able to hear from Rishi if you didn't live from tomorrow on the Digital Banker social channels. Next up, we have the Head of Wealth Management from HSBC UK. Delighted to introduce Christine Foister. I believe Christine's going to say a few words a little bit around financial inclusion for women in retirement. Of course, a pertinent topic. Christine, welcome. Over to you.
Thank you, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to share some recent insight from HSBC in the UK. We commissioned this because we believe in being as inclusive as we can be when we engage with our customers about their plans for the future, and that means understanding their biggest concerns. So in January, we undertook some research to understand just how big the gender gap is when it comes to retirement planning, and we discovered that women remain very underprepared. For example, that we found that over 50% of women over 35 had less than £1,000 saved for their retirement. And this was reinforced by those that we surveyed who were already in retirement, with a third of them struggling financially and 10% of them unable to even meet their basic bills. So our findings showed that many women are still relying on a partner's pension, with very small amounts set aside in their own right. So we want to encourage women to feel more confident about taking control of their own financial future and to have access to enough resources to make informed decisions. We know that women aren't risk averse and they're not afraid to make financial decisions, but history has placed them in a position of having less information and consequently less confidence. So our online retirement hub contains articles designed for all ages and genders and all levels of existing wealth, with a focus on engaging everyone with the reassurance that it's never too late or too early to start financial planning. We believe it's really important to be able to look at current plans and to understand how you can change the outcome, whether that's about putting a bit more away or working longer. Understanding where you stand now enables you to control more about where you'll be when you retire. We chose to deliver this through an online calculator, and we're seeing very successful outcomes with 79 to 80% of people who start the calculator completing it, and many going on to make appointments for retirement conversations. Now, while pensions remain a bedrock of retirement planning, we also believe it's important to listen to younger planners who are reluctant to tie money up until 55. So our hub also explores the subject of supplementary retirement planning through robo and mobile enabled investing. So enabling everyone to start thinking about retirement with a first step of just £50 gives us a chance to democratize wealth and retirement planning for all our customers. So by starting small, but thinking big, and enabling the digital environment, we believe that we can be more inclusive and set all our clients up for a better future. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Christine. That was very insightful and very important tips to take note of. Up next, we have the Chief Operating Officer from Monix, Tiranun Arun Watanakul. And Tiranun, let me just go ahead and ask the first question that we have for you. How does digital CX help you accelerate your digital lending business, especially during times like these, meaning the pandemic?
Thank you for the questions. First of all, thank you for giving us the opportunity to share you guys today. Monix is a new joint venture between Siam Commercial Bank from Thailand and the Abacus Group from China, right? So we both have the same vision that we would like to create the new digital finance opportunity to bring the fairness to the populations, right? So based on that kind of the vision, right, our first launch of the product is on the pandemic period. So then we choose to launch the digital lending. But our digital lending, it's a pure 100% digital, meaning that we don't have a branch, we don't have a paper, we don't have like operations on the back end to deal with the process. So the customer experience through our mobile applications, it's only the channel that we can communicate to the customers. So we've really focused on how we're going to deal with the seamless communication, fast response, simple and understand communication to our customers. So I would like to share that in the very beginning, right, we do a lot of customer interview. We do a lot of prototyping, testing with the customer before, during the design of our customer journey in our applications, right? And after we launch, we invest in the data point that we have been tracking over the drop off in the funnel every pages. And then we keep tracking that and monitor that all the time to ensure that we still be able to make customer understand us easily and clearly, right, all the time. So by doing that, right, we really understand customer more and keep developing our customer experience over time. Currently, our digital lending application, so-called Phoenix, right, we already hit like 6 million downloads over 20 months, right, with 1.1 million MAU, right? By doing that, our key delivery is a customer experience that we can bring the normal lending from like 5 to 7 day process, right, into like 5 minutes. Once customer on board until they get the money into their pocket, it's just 5 minutes over time. So I think this is a very key important, right? So working in the digital world, right, the speed and the simple communication is important. So I can say that customer experience is our key success for now, and we will keep working on it harder to ensure that we always deliver the best communication to customer through our mobile applications. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Thiruanand. That was very insightful. We do have another question for you, but unfortunately we're quite out of time on this panel. However, I'm sure we'll get to hear from you a little later on during the awards gala ceremony itself. Allow me to introduce our next speaker, who is the Chief Innovation Officer of Transaction Banking, TTO at Corporate, Commercial and Institution Banking at Standard Chartered. Please welcome Sriram Natarajan. Over to you, Sriram.
Hi, my pleasure being here, and thanks for this opportunity. Just to talk about accelerating digital, right? We've adopted a cloud first and a digital first strategy in everything and anything that we've started doing over the last 2 to 3 years time. So to give an example, we've actually rolled out our Pan Bank Global Payments Hub, right, which is on a fully cloud native architecture. And it also helps us scale towards the increasing volumes that we have seen at the back of pandemic. It's powered by APIs and microservices based technology. And that's significantly helped us also increase the adoption of digital initiation on the front end. So we rolled out, we are already live in India on Amazon Cloud, which is, and that also is coupled with the rollout of our core banking platform, which is also homegrown on Amazon Cloud, and we've won a few awards at the back of that. So that's one of the things which has significantly helped us. We've also accelerated significantly, on our API strategy, whereby we have embraced open banking, and we have helped fintechs and our clients integrate with us more seamlessly and offer better interoperability in terms of receiving instructions, sharing data over the API channel. From a digitization and digitalization perspective, actually we've taken a front to back view. So a lot of the during the pandemic, customers couldn't come to the branches, so we actually enabled technology capabilities whereby we could take in instructions over digital channels to take documents, especially in regulated markets and all. And then not just the initiation side of things, but also in the entire life cycle of the transaction processing, embrace a digitalization principle where we re-engineered our processes, used technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning, OCR, natural language processing, to interpret some of these documents and drive more straight through processing, right? So that it improves the customer experience from a front to back perspective. Of course, none of this would have been possible without the team within the bank and the collaboration that we had. So the first, one of the first things, of course, that we did was to completely transform our workspace to a digital workspace, right? Whereby completely moving into virtual and the new ways of working, which became, of course, a new normal. And that actually helped us deliver all of these capabilities. Of course, this is a journey and we are learning along the way, and there is much, much more to do. But we are proud of what we've done so far, and of course look forward to more. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sriram. It was great hearing from you. And we, ladies and gentlemen, we have our final speaker for this symposium, the Head of Retail Products and Journeys from HSBC Singapore, Mr. Ranojoy Dutta.
Thank you, and hi everyone. Pleasure to be here and seeing you all here in one forum. I wanted to talk about briefly the reason we've kind of won the award for the best digital CX on the mortgage product. Essentially, I'm sure you all have heard the saying that it now takes a pandemic to shift the behavior, right, and see a paradigm shift. And we've all gone through very difficult time period in the last 2 years. But I remember a time when Singapore went into lockdown just about 2 years back. And we were suddenly faced with a situation where a lot of our journeys that needed face-to-face interaction became irrelevant, right? And all of us, particularly in HSBC, we were kind of working from home 90% of the time. So that also became interaction with each other quite challenging. So in that situation, for our mortgage product, which was largely required face-to-face interaction, particularly the signing of the documents once the loan is approved, we had to radically shift our way of thinking, think outside the box, and come up with a digitized process in a matter of 2 weeks. And I guess the thought I want to leave everyone with today is, often when we talk about digitization, it's not always about an app. It's not always about expensive tech stacks. Sometimes it can be really pulling together off-the-shelf capabilities that you can stitch it together and still make it a remote journey. So for the mortgage product, what we did was we didn't have time to implement a full-blown system. We didn't have funding to do that, and we were all working from home. So essentially, we pulled together, small technological capabilities such as LiveSign and various other document imaging platform, and pretty much stitch it together into a remote journey such that we could still do the business with the customer over Zoom, not face-to-face, exchange documents online, and get customers to sign the documents online. Right? So that itself was a big feat, particularly having done all of that within a period of 2 weeks. And that meant there was no impact to our mortgage business. In fact, it was one of the best years we've had in the history. So that's the thought I wanted to leave with everyone, that, of course, thinking outside the box, sometimes it's an external trigger that helps us do that. But more importantly, when we talk about digital, it's not always about the expensive tools and capabilities. Sometimes it's just looking at what we have around us and stitching it together into a journey. That's all I wanted to share, I guess, in the interest of time. Thank you, everyone. Good to see you all together in one platform.
Thank you so much, Ranojoy. Great to hear from you. And of course, really from all of our panelists, thanks for taking the time out to be present on that. Great to see all verticals represented, from fintech, transaction banking, retail banking, wealth management. We heard some really pertinent points. Of course, we've all been observing these topics of transformation and trends within the industry, a lot of that which has been sort of sparked and facilitated by COVID-19. So really interesting to see what we have in stock for the sort of digital decade ahead. Angelique, I'll let you say a few words because we're about to go into our FinTech Awards, which is really going to kickstart the awards gala, which is why we're here today.
Absolutely. We have quite a few awards to get through, all very deserving winners. And in the interest of time, I think we should just go ahead and start then.
Absolutely. Let's kick off with the FinTech Awards. So ladies and gents, if this is your first time at the Digital Banker Awards, you may refer to the awards agenda that was sent to you, and that will give you a breakdown of how we're going to announce these awards. I believe we have 5 winners within the first category. So let's introduce the first award under the FinTech category, which is the best FinTech for digital CX in personal finance. And here your winner is Monix. And we heard from Thironun earlier on. She is the Chief Operating Officer. I believe we're passing the floor over to you for a few words. Congratulations for this award.
Hello everyone. I'm Tyra from Monix, Thailand. So first of all, I would like to say thank you so much. It's our pleasure to join the digital banking forums. And you know, Monix, we are just 2 years joint venture fintech. We just born for 2 years, but we got a lot of pleasure that you guys have a warm welcome that recognize to give us like 2 winners awards of the CX and also the business model. So basically, I would like to share that I'm just the representative of the team. Monixer, my team are really the key and the powerful team that really make it happen. I would like to give them all the credits and would like to let you know that the CX is really the most important key factors of our success, that the honest and the sincere things that really happen in our organization. We really put the focus on building the great customer experience along the journey. Our digital lending product is a peer automate mobile application. So we don't have the human, we don't have a paper, we don't have operation things at the back end. So meaning that the mobile banking is only the channels that we can communicate to our customers. So our main goal is we really would like to make the customer journey is really smooth, simple, easy to understand, yet trusted and definitely fast, and be able to react them and respond to them fastly. So with that, right, we focus a lot on doing the customer interview. We focus a lot on doing the A/B testing. We do a lot on the data point iterative cycle to understand the customer behavior, and we keep improving our customer journey to really respond to those customer behavior feedback in the real time. So that's most important. That is a key that help us accelerate our product really fast. Our Monix, right? We have the mobile application. Our mobile application is so-called Phoenix, right? And with the 20 months operating after we launched the Phoenix, up until now, we already hit the 6 million users download with 1.1 MAU, 1.1 million MAU, right? So this is kind of like fantastic number that really give us a value that customer give us a very good feedback. So yep, thank you so much. And you know, it's my honor, right? That really that give this opportunity, right, to join your forum. So see you next year, and I hope that next year we will still be valid on this kind of the Proudly Awards. Okay, thank you so much.
Congratulations once again, Monix. And up next, we have Best FinTech for Digital CX in the personal finance sector. Now, this is a highly acclaimed award for this particular category. And the winner for this is KeyBank. Now, no representatives from KeyBank were able to join us today, but we will accept the award on their behalf.
Yeah, absolutely. Unfortunately, being based in the US and us being live out of Singapore this time round, I believe they're 12 hours behind us, I believe. So it's a 4 a.m. in the morning there. For those of you who may not be aware, Highly Acclaimed is really anointed to winners where there's a highly competitive category, and our judges felt that another initiative also warranted some acclaim. So well done to KeyBank, and you'll get to hear more on this initiative post-awards. Let's move over to our next award, which is the Best FinTech for Digital CX Cross-Border Payments. And your winner here is Hang Seng Bank in China. And here we have Alex Liu, who is the Global Liquidity and Cash Management Head of China. Alex, congratulations to you and Hang Seng. Over to you.
It's a great recognition for Hang Seng China being awarded the honor of Best FinTech for Digital Client Experience Cross-Border Payments. A big thank you to the digital bankers for this precious honor. Taking this opportunity, I would like to share that in recent 5 years, we have been implementing consistently clear-cut strategies and have been continuously making significant investment to digitize our solution as well as service, aiming to deliver best-in-class client experience. Being one of the most competitive service providers in China market, to support corporate clients' needs of cash and liquidity management, we offer a comprehensive and competitive suite of service and solutions covering basic payment collection, value-added financial reconciliation service, and sophisticated system integrations, solutions, and etc. So, should anyone have interest to know more about Hang Seng China's service, please feel free to reach out to us via the digital bankers. We look forward to having business opportunity with you. Last, I wish today's Gala event a big success. Thank you.
Congratulations to Hang Seng, and thank you very much, Alex. Up next, we have Outstanding Digital CX in Banking App or Platform, and the winner is SC Junior. And we're going to hear once again from their CTO of SC Ventures, Standard Chartered, Thorsten.
Thank you very much, Nirav and hosts. Appreciate of this award. We really extend our thanks to Digital Banker for recognizing SC Junior in this category of outstanding banking app and platform. We extend the recognition to our entrepreneurs who led this initiative, Joseph Motuko and Tim Percy. They stood by the idea and they collaborated with SC Ventures to realize this kids banking application, really with the emphasis on family interactions and financial literacy. And so great effort was put on creating this optimal user experience for the parents and the kids. And so the highlights were really the design, the look and feel, and the engaging user interface. So by the collaborative nature, or let's say culture of Standard Chartered, we brought the stakeholders together, right from concept to product, target markets, and also go-to-market. And so really just a thanks to the support from the group, from retail banking, also including Tamara van der Ban, Alishan Zaidi, and SC Ventures lead, Alex Manson. So thank you very much for this award.
Congratulations, Thorsten, and of course to everybody involved in SC Junior. Excellent initiative there. We hope to hear from you a little bit later on. And let's move over to the final award within the FinTech Awards category, which is for the Outstanding Digital CX in FX Services. Your winner is HSBC Global Money. And here we have the Global Head of Global Money, Matthias Decan. Matthias, welcome once again. I believe you were also honored at our Middle East and Africa Innovation Awards. So really great to see you today on the DCX platform. Over to you.
Thank you. Thank you to the Digital Banker team. On behalf of HSBC and the Global Money team, it is an honor to receive this award, particularly in the FinTech category. Happy to share with you that obviously the Global Money team is very thrilled about that. Global Money, just as a bit background, is a mobile-only proposition, and it's really meant to support our customers with their international banking needs, particularly when it comes to managing, spending, receiving, sending money in different currencies across the world. And for us, this CX award actually means a lot because we have been working very hard to address the pain points customers face, particularly when it comes to their international banking needs, right, and to deliver a great experience around that. We are live in 5 markets. Very encouraging results, but clearly we remain and need to remain committed and focused to further improve what we deliver and the experience we deliver to our customers. So I always say we are still at the beginning of a journey, but this award gives us confidence that we are moving in the right direction. I also want to take the opportunity to thank my colleagues, our teams that basically have been relentlessly working to make this happen, and are sitting all over the world. I think it's also a beautiful and great example of collaboration and what HSBC actually can achieve. Thank you again for this award.
Thank you very much, Matthias, and congratulations to HSBC. Up next, our next category is the Insurance Awards, and for this we have 6 awards to give out, starting off with the Best Digital Insurance Product for CX. And the winner for this is UOB Thailand, and representing them is the Senior Vice President of Business Banking, Mr. Satit Bunchalok.
Satit, we'll just need you to unmute yourself.
Okay. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor to be here along with the Digital Mind Industry Pioneer. On behalf of UOB, I would like to thank you, the Digital Banker, for being the platform that helps digital adoption in financial service and for shining the light on our latest digital insurance initiative for SME. As UOB Thailand is committed in bringing the progressive solution to help our customer advance in the business. This award is held to show that it's a proof of evidence that our effort to be recognized for the SME customer who needs to mitigate their business risk in more streamlined and digital-friendly approach. Lastly, I would like to extend my appreciation to the team member who have worked really hard to make this happen. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and congratulations, Satit, and of course to everybody involved in that Best Digital Insurance Product for CX, and that was to UOB Thailand. We're going to move over to the second award within the insurance category, and that is for the Outstanding Digital CX in Mobile Banking. Your winner here today is Fubon Insurance, and we have here Albert Chen, who is the Senior Vice President. Albert, great to see you. Congratulations to you and the team. Over to you for a few words.
Okay, thank you. Fubon Insurance is honored to receive the Best Digital Insurance Product for Customer Experience with our mobile first app from Digital CX Award. Thank you all so much for recognizing our effort on providing a quick and easy insurance buying platform for our customers. All paperwork can be done online, and no printing material is needed. Also contributing to our dedication in ESG. Fubon Insurance will continue our efforts on bringing more digital and convenient experience, leading the fintech evolution in the years to come. And thank you again.
Congratulations, Fubon Insurance, and thank you very much, Albert, there. Up next, we have the Outstanding Digital CX Bank Assurance, and the winner for this category is Novo Banco and Gama Life. And here, once again, is Novo Banco's CDO, Joao.
Thank you so much to the Digital Banker for this award. This award really goes to a number of people across Novo Banco and Gama Life that came together to produce a fantastic digital journey for our life insurance customers. This is truly a group effort, far too many people to thank individually, but I for sure wanted to thank everyone in both Novo Banco and Gama Life that contributed to this fantastic success. This is a great example of the digital transformation that Novo Banco is going through. We've been launching tens of digital and omni-channel customer solutions over the last couple of years. That has been a tremendous journey, and we will for sure be launching even at a faster pace more solutions in the next few years. Again, on behalf of Novo Banco and our partner Gama Life, I would like to thank the Digital Banker for this award.
Congratulations, Joao, and to Novo Banco and Gama Life. Let's introduce our next award, which is the Outstanding Digital CX in General Insurance. And here, your winner is PT Mandiri AXA General Insurance. And we have Lena Vongsa, who is the Chief of Partnership and Emerging Customer. Lena, over to you for a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you, the Digital Banker. Truly honored to receive this remarkable award as Outstanding Digital CX in the General Insurance Industry category. Representing Mandiri AXA General Insurance team, we would like to thank our shareholders, Bank Mandiri and AXA, as well as all our business partners, and of course, our customers for their strong support and trust into our company. This award is an important milestone to our commitment in extending the best services, especially the best digital services, to all our customers across our product lines for the people in Indonesia. So we definitely feel incredibly proud to be benchmarked against so many insurance companies across so many different countries. And this gives us more than ever the motivations to continue writing our sustainable growth story for the future. Thank you again, the Digital Banker, and congratulations to all the winners for this Digital CX Awards 2022. Thank you very much.
And congratulations to you, and thank you very much, Lena, for those words. Our next winner for within this category is for the Outstanding Digital CX for Life Insurance. And this award goes to Standard Chartered. And here we have its Managing Director and Head of Life Insurance, Sachin Bambani.
Thank you so much. Firstly, I would like to sincerely thank Digital Banker for this prestigious award. It's a great honor to accept this award on behalf of Standard Chartered Bank, and specifically the business and technology teams that have worked very, very hard in building this great capability we internally call Banca Omni. With Banca Omni, our vision is to provide holistic advice to our customers for protecting and growing their wealth as they pursue their life goals through a seamless omni-channel experience. When we started our transformation journey, we engaged the most important person, our customers. They gave us detailed feedback of how they would like to engage with the bank for their insurance needs, and we kept their feedback at the center of everything we did. We at Standard Chartered are most happy and excited because this award recognizes and validates that what we have built and will continue to enhance is truly path-breaking. Thank you once again for this prestigious award, and we promise everyone that, and most importantly our customers, that we will only get better from here. Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again, Standard Chartered, and of course to Sachin Bambani as well. Our final award within the Insurance Award category is the Outstanding Digital CX for Life Insurance, and here we do have a highly acclaimed honoree as well, and that is Fubon Life. Please welcome Hao Lee, who is the Senior Assistant Vice President. Hao, over to you.
Good afternoon. My name is Hao Li. I am a Senior AVP at Fubon Life. It's truly an honor to accept this award on my company behalf. It's a great honor for us to receive this award in such a distinguished company. We'd like to thank the Digital Banker and the judges for recognizing Fubon Life as the Outstanding Digital CX Life Insurance. This award will serve as an extra motivation for us to continue to develop top-notch talent and create the greatest benefit for us, for our customers. We will also make even more of an effort to join hands with our people in spreading positive energy and promoting the sustainable development of our company and the society. Thank you, Digital Banker. Thank you very much.
Congratulations once again to Fubon Life, and thank you, Hao, for those words. We move on to our next category now, which is the Omni-Channel Awards, and within this we have 7 awards to give away. And we'll start with the first one in this category, which is the Best Customer Experience ATM, and the winner for this is Taishin Bank. So congratulations to Taishin. We will accept the award on your behalf.
Thanks very much, Angelique. Yes, let's move over to the second award, and that is the Best Customer Experience via Mobile and Internet Banking. Your winner here is OCBC Bank, and here we have Mei-san Lee, who is the Vice President. Mei-san, over to you for a few words.
Thank you. Can you hear me?
We can, loud and clear.
Thanks. Thank you, Digital Banker and the panel of judges for recognizing our efforts in providing the best customer experience. And OCBC's ambition is to make financial planning simple, intuitive, and seamless for our customers. And powered by SG Fidex, OCBC Financial One View provides our customers with a simple, holistic view of their financial position across financial institutions and government agencies. And the team took it one step further by integrating it with our financial planning tools and services. For example, nudging customers with personalized insights, which leads into curated journeys for investment, retirement planning, savings goals, and even seamless tax payments. And the results have been encouraging. So far, 1 in 6 customers have started their financial planning with us. And this would not have been possible if not for the dedication and tenacity of the entire team. And once again, on behalf of the team, thank you very much for the award and recognition.
Congratulations, OCBC, and thank you very much, Mei-san, for those words. Next up, we have the Best Digital CX in Banking Social Channels winner, and that award goes to Kasikorn Bank. And here we have the Head of Banking Service and Business Strategy, Chris Letjanaponchai.
Right, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone at Digital CX. So on behalf of Line BK Service, it is an honor to be recognized as a winner in the Social Channel Award. So from the get-go, to keep up with the customer behavior, Kasikorn Bank and Line, we know that it is crucial to be there at all the micro moments of the customer. So that's why we come together and we introduce the Line BK service, which is the transactional banking service and also the lending service, which are embedded within the Line chat app. So it has been an honor to receive this award and also to touch upon the lives of our customers. We promise that we will keep on delivering and delight our customers. And all this won't be possible without the hard work of our team from the Kasikorn Line team and also our friends from both Kasikorn Bank and Line, both in Thailand and in Korea. So this award actually goes to all the teams. Thank you.
Congratulations, Chris. Thank you for those words. And that is to Kasikorn Line. Our next winner within the omnichannel category is the Best Digital CX in Insurance. And the winner here is FWD. Please welcome Sion An, who is the Vice President of Group Digital Platform. Sion, over to you. Congratulations.
Thank you very much for this prestigious award. My name is Sean An, working for FWD Group in Group Digital and Data team. We are very proud that FWD affiliate is able to help our agents across the region transition from a traditionally face-to-face channel to a digitally enabled one, where agents can establish personal branding and client engagement across different social media platforms. The success we have seen across our different market couldn't have been achieved without the full support of our local agency distribution teams, each and every agency leader, and our partners in FWD's group distribution team. This digital initiative was the result of a successful collaboration between our customers, distribution team, and technology teams at both regional and country levels. Most of all, we want to acknowledge and thank our agents on the front lines for continuing to utilize the affiliate platform to achieve successful prospecting and sales and providing us with the valuable feedback. We look forward to more opportunities to innovate so that we can continue changing the way people feel about insurance. Thank you.
Thank you very much for those words and congratulations to FWD. Up next, we have the Best Hybrid Customer Experience Award, and this is for a branch, and the winner is United Overseas Bank, and we have its Executive Director, Daria Huang, here to say a few words.
Hi, thank you very much to Digital Bank for recognizing us, and I'm receiving this on behalf of UOB. Thank you.
Thank you, Daria. Congratulations to you and UOB for that achievement. We move over to the best hybrid customer experience for branch, and we do have a highly acclaimed in this category. And that goes to none other than Standard Chartered Botswana. Here we have Oya Petla Fantan, who is the head of digital banking and partnerships. Oya Petla, over to you. Congratulations.
Thank you very much to Digital Bank for the prestigious award. I'd like to thank the teams that have worked tirelessly in rolling out our express banking centers, which have been a hit in the market and allowing our clients to transact 24 hours a day digitally, and also able to do onboarding through the same branches. Not only are these a digital hit, but however are also testament to the sustainability that the bank has gone through, having these centers 100% off the grid, and displacing 3.8 tons of greenhouse gases. So again, thank you very much to Digital Banking for the award.
Thank you very much and congratulations. We move over to the final award within the Omnichannel category, which is the Excellence in Omnichannel Customer Experience. And your winner here is perhaps an individual that is familiar to you. And please welcome back Oya Petla Fantan from Stanchart Botswana. Would you like to say a few words for this award?
Thank you again for Digital Banker for recognizing Standard Chartered Botswana in the two awards, being the best hybrid CX branch and excellence in omni-channel customer experience. Customer experience is at the heart of any development or service that we roll out as Standard Chartered branch. And as part of our digital transformation agenda, transacting or transactability is key at the convenience of the client. Not only do we pride ourselves with the 100% onboarding digital service that we have as SC Mobile, but we also pride ourselves with the ability for allowing our clients to transact as and when they want to transact. Now, we have recently rolled out express banking centers across Botswana, which have the ability for clients to do cash deposits, cash withdrawals, this also being in foreign currency. In addition to transacting, you're also able to open accounts, and also able to contact our 24-hour contact center, noting that this express banking center is a 24-hour service, allowing clients to deposit as and when they feel. As Standard Chartered and our sustainability agenda, we have also rolled out the first fully solar express banking center, which generates 11.4 kilowatts per day and displacing 3.8 tons of greenhouse gases. Now, this is sustainability and digital all in one shop. And we are here for good. And I would like to also thank the teams that were involved, being our branch distribution channels and our digital teams. And this is a well-deserved award. Thank you very much, Digital Banking.
Thank you very much. Okay, so that then concludes our Omnichannel Awards. I believe we go over to the People and Organisation Awards next. Now, for those of you, if it is your first time viewing and watching one of the Digital Banker Awards, all of the snippets, all of the insights delivered by our honorees, including the World CX Leaders Symposium, will be made available to you post-awards. Please keep an eye out on LinkedIn and the Digital Banker website. We'll also be running, if you're just joining us now, we'll be running a CXO Insights session, which will be in late August. Now, this is going to be a granular assessment of all of our findings across this program, from transaction banking through to retail banking, wealth management, SME, and of course, insurance. There's a lot to get through today. So today is all about the honorees and less about us. So let's go quickly into the people and organization category. The first award here is for the best institution for digital CX. And here we have Citi Commercial Bank over in the US. Unfortunately, time frames not permitting, unable to join us, but we will hear from them post awards. We'll accept the award on their behalf. Congratulations.
Next up, we have the CX Professional of the Year for Southeast Asia, and the winner for this award is CIMB Bank. And we hear once again from its Group Head, Customer Experience Management, Manpreet Singh.
Thank you so much. I'm truly humbled and honored to receive this award, and I would like to thank the Digital Banker for this extremely prestigious award. A recognition of this nature is not about the effort of just one individual, so I do have a few thank yous to say. First and foremost, our customers for their continuous loyalty to our brand, and personally for me, being a source of motivation to always raise the bar and to excel. To my fantastic CX team and colleagues at Team CIMB, without whose hard work and passion, none of this would have been possible. A good leader is always supported by a great team. So I'm truly blessed in that space, and I think some of my team members are watching, so this one's for you. I do want to thank my leaders at CIMB for truly believing in me and the customer centricity agenda, because CX is a part of our strategy, it's heart and soul to it, and we continue to make investments in this area. And last but not the least, my family for their continued support. Thank you once again to the Digital Banker, and we hope to keep the CX agenda flying high in CIMB. Thanks a lot.
Absolutely. Congratulations, Manpreet, and of course to your team as well. That is for the CX Professional of the Year, so remarkable achievement there. Well done to you and to CIMB Bank for that. Next up, let's go to our Outstanding Implementation of Digital CX Initiative by a Team. Now, we do have a winner here. Unfortunately, timeframes not permitting again, unable to join us live, but this is none other than Fifth Third Bank. So as I mentioned before, we've seen a significant uptick in the amount of North American institutions participating in the Digital Banker programs. Once we do return to live formats a little bit later on this year, we'd look forward to hosting physical galas in various sort of parts of the world as well. So congratulations to Beth Oates, who's the VP of Public Relations, and of course, congratulations to Fifth Third Bank themselves.
Okay, and up next we have the award for Outstanding Implementation of Digital CX Initiative by a Team, and the winner from Canada is CIBC. And here we hear from its Vice President of Digital Strategy, CIBC Personal and Business Banking, Mr. Kevin Paget.
On behalf of my colleagues here at CIBC, I am honored to accept this award for Outstanding Implementation of a Digital Client Experience Initiative by a Team. CIBC puts a strong focus on client experience in order to achieve our vision of being leaders in client relationships. Our digital team took additional steps in improving our ability to capture and react to client feedback by implementing client journey specific surveys that provide in-flight project teams with immediate and contextual feedback. This provided the most actionable data that allowed new features to be optimized after launch. Learn and pivot. Our digital platforms, we have over 85 million banking sessions per month, and this provides us many opportunities to capture real-time client feedback. Working in tandem with our existing client experience survey capabilities, these project-specific ad hoc surveys help us zero in on key areas of opportunity that we can take action on immediately instead of adding them to a long backlog for future fixes. Not every product feature or launch is going to be perfect, but what we can do is improve how quickly we can listen to our clients and react to what they are telling us so we can improve the digital experience for all of our clients. Thank you again to the Digital Banker for this award. We take client experience serious, and we will continue our committed efforts into the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Kevin, and well done to CIBC for the outstanding implementation of digital CX by a team. We move over to the final award within the People and Employee Awards category, and that is the outstanding implementation of digital CX initiative by a team in Asia. Here, your winner is Standard Chartered Nexus, and please welcome Sachin Sharma, who is the Chief Product and Commercial Officer of SC Nexus. Sachin, over to you for a few words. Congratulations.
Thanks very much, the Digital Banker, for recognizing Standard Chartered Nexus as the best CX implementation by a team in Asia. This is really a testament to the effort of a fantastic 200-member team, which has come together from 7 different countries, 16 different nationalities, and has been working on the banking as a service solution of Standard Chartered, which we call SC Nexus, over the last 2 years. SC Nexus delivers an ability of large retail ecosystems to be able to work with the bank and provide financial products right from their own mobile applications and ecosystems to their customers. This has never been done before, and we are literally creating user journeys and client experiences which have never been experienced by users. So very excited for this recognition, and this is really a very strong motivation for the entire Standard Chartered Nexus team, and a recognition of the banking as a service capability that Standard Chartered has been able to deliver. So thank you once again, and we are looking forward to rolling out this capability in multiple markets, and really appreciate the recognition from Digital Banker. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sachin, and of course, congratulations to yourself and to Standard Chartered Nexus there for that remarkable achievement. Great to see all the honorees. Thank you so much for joining today. We understand for some of you it's not so easy, particularly those calling in from Canada, perhaps other parts of North America and Europe as well. Nonetheless, it's really joyful for us to be able to bring the community together on a worldwide stage such as this, and we can't wait to go back to physical formats later this year. We're now going to move into the real bulk of the gala, which is starting off with the Retail Banking Awards category. Now, this is obviously an area which is highly competitive, given the amount of disruption taking place in the sort of personal finance ecosystem. Here we're really looking at everything from wealth management, SME banking, right through to sort of rudimentary retail banking propositions as well. So let's go ahead and welcome the first winner, and I'll give you that honor, Angelique.
Thank you very much, Nirav. So the first award for this category is for Best Digital CX for account opening and customer onboarding, and the award goes to Kept by Krung Sri. And here we have Kritia Wacharatyansakul, who is the Vice President and Product Owner of Kept by Krung Sri.
Thank you, the Digital Banker, for selecting Kept by Krung Sri as the winner for this year. We are so honored and grateful to be the recipient of this award. Kept by Krung Sri is driven by the rising of household debt and the COVID-19 pandemic. It drives the need to build long-term financial stability and digital adoption in a new lifestyle. Kept offers a self-service onboarding using Thailand blockchain technology NDD for identity customer verification. Customer can open digital saving account on their mobile phone in a few minutes and start their saving account immediately from anywhere. Receiving this award is a great motivation for our team to continuously improve our service and product to make sure that we are able to support customer financial management. Thank you again for this award.
Thank you so much, Kritia. Great to see you, and congratulations to Kept by Krung Sri for that award. We move over to a highly acclaimed award now, which is the Best Digital CX for account opening and customer onboarding. Of course, again, a very pertinent topic within the retail banking landscape. And your winner here, your highly acclaimed status goes to Standard Chartered in Nigeria. We were going to have David Oduru, who was unable to join at the last minute, but nonetheless, congratulations congratulations to Standard Chartered Nigeria. I believe there may be somebody collecting on his behalf, but we will come back to that a little later. Over to you, Angelique.
Okay, and the next award is for Outstanding Digital Winner, CX in Internet Banking. And the winner for this is Standard Chartered Singapore. And we have Husna, who is going to be saying a few words on behalf of Arun Godiel.
Hi, thanks everyone. And really huge thanks to the Digital Banker for this award, and we really appreciate the recognition that's been given. Definitely a mark of approval, and we'll continue to strive towards best in class. Thank you.
Thank you very much for stepping in there, Husna, and congratulations to StanChart Singapore over for that particular award. We move over to the fourth award within the category, and that is for the Outstanding Digital CX in Loans. Please join me in welcoming your winner, RCBC Bank Card. And here we have Angela Mirasol, who's the first Vice President and Head of Marketing Group. Angela, delighted to see you. Please go ahead and say a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you. At RCBC Bank Card, we always wanted our product to be an enabler in meeting the cardholders' needs as well as in financing their aspirations. We also wanted the experience to be seamless, easy, rewarding. We're thus very grateful that you have accorded us with this award, because it is a testament to all the effort that the team has put in. So to the team behind this, congratulations. To us, let's aim to do more for our cardholders, and to all the winners in this event, congratulations to everyone. Have a great day.
Thank you very much, Angela, for those words, and congratulations to RCBC Bankcard. Next up, we have the Outstanding Digital CX for Loans Award, and this is also a highly acclaimed category. And the winner is Bank of Ayodhya, Krungsi. And today we have the Head of Digital Solution Department, Ratika Kowit Warangkul.
Hi, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you, the digital banking team, for this award, and I'm very proud to win on this award on behalf of everyone at the Krungsi team. With the current situation, I believe that we are on the right track to provide the total end-to-end solution to the customer to be able to apply the personal loan product via our mobile experience, digital, and finally, I would like to thank you, the team, for the great contribution, and also our management for the great support. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ratika. Congratulations to you. We move over to a highly acclaimed category within the Outstanding Digital CX for Loans Award, and that goes to Standard Chartered in China. Please join me in welcoming the Head of Digital Banking, Connie Wang. Connie, you can just give us a little smile and a wave. Thank you so much. Congratulations to you. That's the Standard Chartered China for the Outstanding Digital CX in Loans.
Congratulations. And up next, it's the Outstanding Digital CX for Mobile Banking, and the winner is CIBC. And once again, we hear from its VP for Digital Strategy, Kevin.
On behalf of CIBC, I'm proud to accept this award for Outstanding Digital Client Experience in Mobile Banking, and thank the Digital Banker for recognizing our achievements. To maintain our leadership in mobile banking, CIBC puts a tremendous focus on constantly improving our digital features and capabilities. Our bank manages critical budgets, and we achieve success by combining a strong focus on client experience with efficient investment decisions. This contributes to strong client experience results that have the most effective impact to long-term sustainable growth. These features highlighted for this award include our Fast app, a simplified and efficient digital sales flow, our digital ID verification, which allows clients to complete applications 100% remotely, virtual card issuance. This provides clients with the ability to load cards in their digital wallets and use them immediately. Our onboarding hub, which is an improved digital onboarding end-to-end experience. Our virtual assistant, an industry-leading, fully capable AI chatbot. And lastly, our CIBC Insights, our personal financial management tool that helps clients manage their money. With the heightened need for our digital solutions during the pandemic, CIBC ensured that we provided features to allow banking at your fingertips, ensuring clients can spend less time completing their tasks and more time fulfilling their life's ambitions. Thank you again to the Digital Banker for this award, and we will continue to strive to be leaders in mobile banking.
Fantastic. Excellent. And congratulations to Kevin and, of course, to CIBC. Our next winner is for the Outstanding Digital CX for Bank Cards. And your winner is Siam Commercial Bank, otherwise known as SCB. And please join me in welcoming Siriwan Mangkorn Kanok. I'm doing my best to pronounce the surname, Siriwan. Hope I got it correct. And Siriwan is the first Senior Vice President. Over to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Digital Banker, for recognizing Siam Commercial Bank for Outstanding CX for Bank Cards. Let's SCB Debit Card is the first and only debit card in Thailand offering selectable CVP for our young gen customer, and they can do it digitally in just a few clicks on their mobile apps. I would like to take this opportunity to express my appreciation to our management team and the working team behind us for their hard work and commitment to provide the best CX for our customer. Again, it's a great honor for us to receive this award because it's a big milestone for us and it's also a good testament to what we have done so far. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Siriwan, and congratulations to SCB. Up next, the Outstanding Digital CX for Bank Cards. And once again, this is a highly acclaimed winner. And this award, I beg your pardon, goes to Malayan Banking Berhad, also known as Maybank. And here is its head of Marketing Cards Group CFS, Vishal Woon.
Hi, everyone. This is actually a great honor to be here, and a special thanks to Digital Bank for this award. And this campaign that won us this award, Outstanding Bank Card Award, was our virtual treats fair, an e-commerce shop and reward platform that we put together during pandemic with great effort from the team of IT, customer service, operations, and of course the engine of the fair was the marketing and merchant team that brought the great digital CX to our customer and merchants. Yeah. Thanks to all, and the award is for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Vishal. Good to see you. And we move over to the Outstanding Digital CX for Bank Cards here, another highly acclaimed, which is Standard Chartered in Hong Kong. Unfortunately, nobody here to represent Standard Chartered Hong Kong for this particular award, but once again, we'll release all information. Just for those of you who are simply joining us now, highly acclaimed is an award which is really passed on to a winner or an institution where there is a highly competitive category, and our judges felt there should be more than one commendation. So we'll always have one winner, followed by a maximum of two highly acclaimed. So congratulations to Standard Chartered Hong Kong for that highly acclaimed award.
Thank you very much, Nirav. Now moving on, we have the Outstanding Digital CX for Mortgage Product. And the winner for this is HSBC Singapore. And here once again, Head of Retail Products and Journeys, Ranojoy.
Thank you, Digital Banker. On behalf of everyone at HSBC Singapore, I would like to say a big thank you for the recognition of the work that the team has done. Clearly, it's going to be a big boost and motivation factor for us to move ahead and do more bigger and better things and live our culture of why stop here. So thank you again and really appreciate the recognition. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ranajoy, and congratulations to HSBC Singapore for that award. We move over to the penultimate award within this category, the retail banking category, and this is for the Outstanding Digital CX in Payments. Please allow me to introduce your winner, Union Bank of Philippines, also known as UBP. And here we have JP Soliman, who is the Vice President SME and Micropreneurs Segment Head. JP, over to you. Great to see you.
Great to see you, and thank you so much to the Digital Banker for this award. Our team is very much excited about this, and you know very well, technology right now, it's available to everyone. It's a great equalizer but customer experience becomes the great differentiator. We'll continue our best in delivering the best type of customer experience for our customers and the SMEs. Again, thank you so much, Digital Banker, and congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you very much, JP, and congratulations to Union Bank of Philippines. All right, the final award for this category is the Outstanding Digital CX for Payments. And again, highly acclaimed winner here. This one goes to Bank One Limited.
Thank you all. On behalf of the Bank One team, especially the POP team, I'm pleased to accept this award for Outstanding Digital CX Payments 2022. When we launched POP in September 2021, we wanted to disrupt the traditional mode of payments and launch a unique solution designed for the customers and merchants around their needs. POP brings value to our customers by making payments effortless, accessible, and secure for everyone. As a fast mover in the market, Bank One positioned itself as an innovative and customer-oriented bank. And through POP, we are building a secure cashless society in Mauritius. We are taking advantage of the new opportunities offered by technological and regulatory developments to secure strategic partnerships and build a financial supermarket where customers can find all their financial needs in one place. As we build our customer base and constantly assess customers' expectations and needs, we iteratively release new and improved features, which will enhance our customer value proposition. POP is also very proud to be the only app that offers Mauritian Creole as a language option to its users, along English and French. We have a very long, exciting roadmap ahead of new offerings, which will embed into our app. So we are very excited about the new journey that we're taking, really with the customer at the center of our focus. Thank you for your recognition, and thank you for this award. Thank you.
Congratulations to Bank One, and thank you, Angelique, for that. We've managed to get through the Retail Banking Awards. Thank you so much for everybody who's tuned in live on Facebook, live on the actual Gala link itself. I believe LinkedIn has now removed the live feed itself, but again, it will be available on YouTube and all of our channels as well. The full Gala, that is, as well as all of the snippets from all the winners. We're going to move very swiftly on now to the SME Banking Awards. Of course, this is a segment of sort of banking or retail banking which is highly disrupted. It's an area where we're seeing banks invest a significant amount of capital into really deploying the latest technology and ensuring that they're driving the right digital customer experience to their sort of SME customers. There's a lot of opportunity here, and it's really anybody's for the taking. We're also seeing a lot of sort of SME fintech models being ignited all around the world. The ecosystem is ripe with innovation. So much so that the Digital Banker has decided to actually run an SME Awards innovation sort of program by itself. We'll stay tuned with that. It will coincide with our Global Transaction Banking Innovation Awards, but SME Banking is definitely one to watch. So let's introduce our first winner here. Angelique, over to you.
Thank you, Nirav. And the first winner for the SME Banking Awards is for Best Digital CX, Account Opening and Customer Onboarding. And this one goes to HSBC Kinetic. And here we have its Senior Product Manager, Shane Murphy.
Thank you, Digital Banker team. I'm delighted to accept this award on behalf of the HSBC Kinetic team. It's a real honor to stand on this virtual podium today alongside the other highly regarded finalists in the category. All finalists are addressing one of the more crucial and decisive moments in the relationship with customers, making it frictionless and easy to open an account for our customers. This sounds really, really simple, but making it easy takes a lot of cross-functional effort, will, and creativity to redefine and innovate the customer experience. Winning this award recognizes what the team's achieved so far and how we're redefining business banking. I'd like to take some time to recognize our customers, partners and colleagues for making this happen, and also recognize the other winners and highly commended finalists. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shane. Great to see you, and thanks for joining this morning. And that is to HSBC Kinetic. You'll hear more about that proposition a little later on after the Gala. So we move over to the second award within this category, and that is for the Best Digital CX Account Opening and Customer Onboarding. Here we have a highly acclaimed honoree, and that is none other than Union Bank of Philippines. Let's welcome back JP to say a few words.
I'd like to thank the whole team of the Digital Banker, and I congratulate all the winners for this very, very prestigious award ceremonies and summit. Union Bank of the Philippines, on behalf of all the management, all the employees, we're very honored and grateful for receiving these awards. We continue our best, doing our best in establishing best in class customer experience for all our customers and for all Filipinos. This is for nation building and not just for ourselves. Again, I thank you all so much for this award. And again, congratulations to everyone else. Thank you.
Thank you very much, JP. And we have the Outstanding Digital CX Internet Banking, and the winner is City Commercial Bank. And unfortunately, no representative was able to be here with us today, so we will accept that award on their behalf.
Thanks very much, Angelique, and that's City over in the US. Let's move over to the Outstanding Digital CX for Mobile Banking. Your winner here is... liquidity management, sorry. And your winner here is Standard Chartered. And here we have a picture of Geeta Ashok, who is the Head Engineering, Liquidity, Liability and Billing. Congratulations to Standard Chartered Bank, CCIB, TB Technology.
And now the Outstanding Digital CX for Mobile Banking winner is AmBank from Malaysia. Congratulations. Here we have Senior Vice President for Digital Payments, Mr. Kee Kim Hong.
Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of AmBank Group, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the organizers for presenting us with this prestigious award. It is truly an honor to be here today. MXSBiz is an internet banking platform designed specifically to help our SME customers manage their daily banking needs. The team here have put in a lot of effort in ensuring that the right product propositions are being implemented in a timely manner, and with, of course, high emphasis on customer experience. At AmBank, we will continue to strive towards delivering an even more seamless banking experience for our customers. It is very gratifying to see that all of our hard work and our efforts are being recognized by the Digital Banker. And therefore, thank you very much once again, and have a great day ahead.
Congratulations to AmBank, and huge initiative there, so well done on that. We move over to the Outstanding Digital CX for SME Loans, and here is Bank Central Asia. Please help me welcome Armand Hartono, who is the Deputy President Director, BCA. Over to you, Armand. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. We're honored to have this Digital CX Award. We grew from the SME community, and we grew from the SME community through digital. And thanks to the pandemic, actually it speeds up everything. And thank you to the team. It's none other than the trust from our customer and from the great team that we have. Thank you very much for all.
Congratulations to BCA. Next, we have the Outstanding Digital CX for SME Loans, and this one as well is a highly acclaimed winner, and it goes to Malayan Banking Berhad, Malaysia. And here we have two of its representatives, the head of SME Banking CFS Malaysia, Madam Haslinda binti Abdul Hamid, as well as the head of Special Project Regional SME COE GCFS, Ms. Sam Yet Wah. Ladies?
Thank you, the Digital Banker, for this award. We are very honored, and we hope that we can do more for CX in the future. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations to Maybank for the Outstanding Digital CX in SME Loans. That was a highly acclaimed honoree there, so well done. We will now move over to the Outstanding Digital CX for SME Loans. A highly acclaimed honoree here is none other than RHB Bank over in Malaysia. And here I believe we have Zilharan, who is representing Mr. Sim E. Chew, who was going to speak. Zilharan, over to you. Congratulations.
Hi, good Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Zil. I'm the product owner of SME Digital. On behalf of RHB Bank, I am extremely honored to be receiving such a prestigious award at the Digital CX. I'm sincerely grateful for the recognition given to RHB Banking Group for our product and services, especially since every other nominees for these awards are just as capable of coming out tops of winners. At the height of pandemic, it became very clear to us at RHB that it was crucial to find ways to help small business weather the storm and navigate through lockdown. The solution was simple: innovate, innovate, and innovate. We achieved this by introducing Smart Interview by RHB Digital SME Financing to perform virtual site inspection and interview of SME as part of credit due diligence. Our continuous enhancement to deliver innovation and cutting-edge digital capabilities such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, eKYB verification, and building APIs has resulted in a superior customer experience and improvement to our processing efficiency. RHB Digital SME Financing mobile apps has also helped to facilitate the financial relief program, allowing eligible borrowers to skip up to 6-month installment, which greatly helped SMEs to stay afloat. Winning the award would not have been possible without the innovative solutions from our team and the unrelenting hard work they put in even during the most challenging of times. I have the utmost respect for my colleagues and would like to thank each and every one of them for enabling us to grow from strength to strength and consistently pushing themselves further to ensure that we can make progress happen for everyone. Before I end, I would like to take this opportunity to sincerely thank the Digital Banker for this award. We are proud to be able to hold up this award as a mark of our achievement. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Zil, and congratulations once again to RHB. Next up, Outstanding Digital CX SME Payments, and the winner for this is IndusInd Bank, and we have its Chief Digital Officer and Head of Business Strategy and New Initiatives, Charu Mathur.
Hi. Thank you, Digital Banker, for recognizing us in the category of Outstanding Digital CX SME Payments for the Indus Merchant Solution Stack. Keeping up with our mission of bringing enriched digital value propositions for our clients and building new digital business models, IndusInd Bank launched Indus Merchant Solutions in October last year, a one-of-its-kind holistic stack for small retailers, which allows them to manage all their financial needs in one place, be it payments, lending, banking. I'm very happy to collect this award on behalf of the entire Indus Merchant Solutions team at the bank. The stack offers industry-first digital self-onboarding process for a small retailer, where he can take a current account and also execute an entire payment service agreement completely digitally end-to-end, leveraging the power of India Stack. The retailers can then accept payments using multiple modes: QR, payment link, cash or point of sale terminal, or even a digital credit ledger for their regular clients. They can manage and view their collections as well as settlement status just through the app. They can send collection links and reminders to their regular clients where they maintain digital credit ledgers. And then basis the transaction history, the stack also then uses advanced analytics and offers pre-approved unsecured loans to small retailers to help them grow their business and manage their working capital. We launched it in Q3 last year. We have already 50,000 plus users, and 75% of them are actually completely new to bank, which indicates the strong pull the application could create in the market and the client need gap it addressed. We are committed to bringing many more such digital value propositions to the market and making the aspect of managing finances easy, efficient, simple for both retail and SME clients. Thank you.
Congratulations to you, Charu, and to IndusInd Bank for that award. Well done. We will move over to the Outstanding Digital CX for Trade Services. Unfortunately, another bank over in the USA this time, and that goes to Wells Fargo. And when I mean unfortunately, I mean unable to join us live. But congratulations nonetheless.
And now we have the Outstanding Digital CX Trade Services Award, also a highly acclaimed winner. And this one goes to Alliance Bank Malaysia Berhad. And they too will not be able to join us today, so we will accept this award on their behalf.
Thank you, Angelique, and congratulations to Alliance Bank there. Let's move over to the last award within this category, and that is the Outstanding Digital CX for Financial Inclusion. Your winner here is Affin Bank, and I believe we have Mr. Lim Ki-yong, who is the Executive Director of Enterprise Banking. Ki-yong, over to you for a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you for Digital Banker for recognizing Affin Bank in this category through our SME Colony app. Indeed, a great honor to represent the bank in receiving this award. We'd like to thank everyone involved in the project, the team, our business partners, our Rakan Niaga, as well as our customers for making this possible. Well, financial inclusion has always been a core pillar of our app in designing and how we roll it out for continuous improvement. It has effectively become a digital platform and ecosystem for our customers to react, to improve, to enhance, as well as to expand the commercial networking. Indeed, a great honor, and this award is just a great affirmation of our path and track in continuing our journey towards betterment of SMEs, including startups, and in getting SMEs better and better over the years. Thank you again, and it's always about you per our tagline, and congratulations to all the winner, and have a great day.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lim, and congratulations to Affin Bank. Okay, swiftly moving along now to our next category of awards. We have the Strategy Awards, and we have 17 winners within this awards category. So let's move along to the first winner within the Strategy Awards. This is for Best Customer Insights Initiative Insurance, and the winner is
AXA Hong Kong and Macau. And here we have Janice Liu, who's the Director of Customer Strategy and Insights, Chief Marketing and Customer Officer. Janice, over to you. Congratulations.
Yeah. Thank you, Digital Banker. I feel truly honored and grateful to receive this Best Customer Insight Initiative Award for and on behalf of AXA Hong Kong and Macau. This award is a great recognition to our collective effort and dedication in driving great CX. Under our brand promise of Act for Human Progress by protecting what matters, AXA has done an excellent job over the years in collecting and analyzing customer feedbacks. Putting our customer first is what leads us to where we are today, at the forefront of the insurance industry. Once again, thank you for the award from the Digital Banker. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Janice. Congratulations, AXA. Next, we have the Best Customer Insights Initiative for Retail Banking, and the winner is Hong Leong Bank. And we were going to have Shailesh Grover, Chief Digital and Innovation Officer, join us, but unfortunately he's facing some technical difficulties, so we will accept this award on their behalf. Congratulations to Hong Leong.
Yeah, absolutely. Congratulations. And Shailesh, if you can hear us, do not worry. We will give you the opportunity to say a few words post-gala. Let's move over to the next award recipient, and that is for the Best CX Business Model. And your winner here is Monix. Here we have Thiranan again, who joined us on the panel and for an earlier award. He's the Chief Operating Officer. Over to you, Thiranan, for a few words.
Thank you again. So I can't have a word to say to you guys. It's so much proud of our team that you guys recognize us on this kind of business model awards. We would like to say that the customer experience is really important to us. It's led us to a lot of creativity and innovative product design that we have been gone through, like gamification, new products, and also the repayment methods and all that, right? So those kind of key features really bring the customers to us and make the customer stickiness happening in the platform. So thank you so much. Thank you, team. And we are going to improve ourselves on and on to make sure that we deserve on this awards. Thank you.
Khop kun ka, Thiranan, and congratulations once again to Monix. Next, we have the Best CX Business Model, highly acclaimed winner here. And this one goes to Banque Saudi Fransi, and we have its head strategy, delivery, and customer experience, Saife El Cosantini. Would you like to say a few words?
Thank you very much for the award. In BSF, we always put the customer at the center of everything we do. That's why we have set for ourselves a bold mission focused on the customer experience. Our mission is to become the most modern, innovative, and experience-focused bank in the region. In the pursuit to achieve this mission, we have established a dedicated CX program called Ask Once. Ask Once is all about improving our customer experience to the extent that our customer should ask only once to get things done. Therefore, we are extremely proud to receive this award, which is a clear recognition of the tremendous work done by all BSF employees through the Ask Once program. Thank you again, the Digital Banker, and looking forward for having further recognitions with you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Saif, and congratulations to Bank Saudi Franzi for the best CX model, highly acclaimed. We move over to our next winner for the best use of customer feedback this time, and that goes to Standard Chartered in Hong Kong. Please join me in welcoming Vivian Wong, Executive Director, Strategy, Branch Operations and System. Vivian, over to you for a few words.
Thank you, Digital Banker. I am very happy and honored to receive the award from Digital Banker. Standard Chartered Hong Kong is committed to provide the best-in-class banking services, and we highly cherish client feedback. We collect the voice from multiple channels and turn them into opportunities to further enhance our services. It's encouraging and rewarding to receive this Best Use of Client Feedback award, and we will continue our journey in service excellence. Last but not least, I'm taking this chance to thank Alice and her team, working closely with all the front line in delivering this good set of results. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Congratulations to Stan Chart, and thank you very much, Vivian, for that. Next up, we have the best use of customer feedback, and this one is a highly acclaimed winner. And congratulations goes to Siam Commercial Bank, also known as SCB, and here is its Chief Digital Banking Officer, Dr. Charlie Asava Tiratam.
Thank you so much, Digital Banker. At SCBD Bank, our mission is simple. We want to bring the power of analytics to remove every imaginable friction between the customers and the digital banking services. And one of the things that we pride ourselves in is our customer obsession. And receiving this award is a testament that one of our hard work in taking the transaction level customer feedback into the analytics work is recognized by the industry. We would like to continue this work along this line and thank the team for the effort to putting this together. Thank you once again, Digital Banker.
Thank you very much, Dr. Chali, who's the CD Bank Officer at SCB. Congratulations to you and the team for that award. We move over to a second and final highly acclaimed for the best use of customer feedback. Again, an exceptionally competitive category. Let's welcome back a familiar face from this afternoon, Manpreet Singh, Group Head Customer Experience Management from CIMB. Manpreet, congratulations.
Thank you so much. I'm truly honored to receive this award on behalf of Team CIMB, and I would like to thank the Digital Banker for this recognition. Powered by a fairly mature measurement ecosystem, the voice of customer and related insights are used in CIMB to shape our choices, to sharpen our strategies, and to also kind of help in our efforts to make CIMB simpler, faster, and better for our clients. It's a testament of our commitment to putting our customers at the heart of everything we do. And this award definitely motivates us to continue our efforts in this space. Thank you once again to the Digital Banker, and I'm very proud to collect this on behalf of CIMB.
Thank you very much, Manpreet, and thanks for being with us once again, and congratulations to CIMB. Next up, we have the Excellence in Customer Service Innovation, and the winner for this category is Emirates NBD. And we have its Senior Vice President, Head of Customer Intelligence and Engagement, Sachin Chandra.
Thank you so much, Digital Banker, for this recognition. As Roy Williams once said, the first step in exceeding your customers' expectation is to know them. We believe the power of analytics is there to help us in knowing those customer needs and deliver an optimal customer experience. what we exactly did and what we are getting recognized here today is for our work on call center analytics. We truly believe that great customer-centric brands recognize when employees and systems know everything about their customer interactions over time, and then they provide a service to support. Exactly what we did, we assessed millions of calls and customer data to arrive at a customer-centric framework. We did link analysis to predict the next customer call, which will be to our call center. We also developed a cluster for similar call reasons. And finally, we came up with a customer call and service score based on calling behavior so that we know exactly how to handle those calls before customers even made those calls. So objective is overall to deliver an exceptional customer experience. On behalf of my team and Emirates NBD, I humbly received this award, and thank you to everyone and congratulations to all the awards.
Thank you very much, Sachin, and great to see you again, and congratulations to CIE Emirates MBD for that award. Let's move over to the Excellence in Next Gen Customer Satisfaction. Your winner here is Go by Krungsri Auto. And here we have Mr. Kong Singh Kongkar, who is the head of Krungsri Auto Group. Kong Singh, over to you for a few words.
All right. Greetings to all delegates from Thailand. Can everyone hear me?
Hear you loud and clear.
Okay, thank you. On behalf of Krungsri Auto, we are extremely proud to receive Digital CX Awards for 2022 in the strategy category of excellence in next generation customer satisfaction. Thank you, Digital Banker, for this prestigious award for our Go by Krungsri Auto mobile application. This award actually reflects our continued pursuit in delivering customer experience through innovation, agility way of working, data-driven culture, and focus on creating a car user ecosystem in which Go by Krungsri Auto application is our newest digital platform to drive KA's corporate mission of creating a better everyday life for automobile users. In Thailand right now, there are approximately 38 million automobile users, in which 69% of these users are Generation Y and Generation Z mobile users. Therefore, Go app is extremely focused on understanding the customer journey of these new generation customers, and also finding a customer lifetime solution to answer both their current and future needs. So we strongly believe that this new Go app platform will be a driving force in collaborating with our strategic ecosystem partners in serving this next generation of automobile users in Thailand. Thank you once again, Digital Banker, and congratulations to all of the delegates and winners today.
Thank you, Kong Sin, and congratulations to Go by Krungsri Auto. Next up, we have the Outstanding CX in Digital Sales Strategy Award, and the winner for this is Standard Chartered Taiwan. And here you see on your screen Runita Chang, who is the head of Personal Banking and CX Consumer, Private and Business Banking. Congratulations to Standard Chartered Taiwan.
Congratulations indeed, and thank you, Angelique. Let's move over to the Outstanding CX in Digital Sales Strategy, a highly acclaimed honoree here, and that goes to CTBC Indonesia. We were going to have the CEO, Iwan Sata Widinata, but I believe collecting on his behalf is Bambang Simaro. So let's welcome him on stage, and congratulations to CTBC Indonesia for this award.
Thank you, Digital Banker, for the recognition. It's a great honor, and I'm happy to represent CTBC Indonesia to accept the award. I would like also to thank and congratulate our digital lending team for job well done and great contributions to the retail banking journey in CTBC. I think it's only been less than 2 years since we started this journey, and we felt like we have only been scratching the surface of its potential and possibility. So we will continue to invent and to get better, to continue to grow the business together. Thank you again, Digital Banker, for the recognitions and awards, and have a great day, everyone.
Thank you very much and congratulations once again. Next, we have the outstanding transformation in digital CX during COVID-19. And the winner for this is US Bank. And here we have the SVP for Customer Experience, Kevin M. Collier.
Hello, my name is Kevin Collier, Senior Vice President of Customer Experience at US Bank. I am thrilled to accept this award on behalf of all the dedicated team members at US Bank that worked tirelessly to assist consumers that were struggling to repay loans, lines, and leases during the COVID-19 pandemic. This award is a testament not only to US Bank's commitment to customers and the communities we serve, but also to the power of agile teams. When COVID began to shut down the world as we knew it in March of 2020, our digital teams quickly pivoted, shifting additional development resources towards enabling DIY or do-it-yourself, self-service repayment tools and technologies. By April of 2020, so just 30 days later, customers could enroll in a payment relief program online, through our mobile app, and over the phone through our interactive voice response technology. These new tools were quickly adopted by consumers, with approximately 40% of all enrollments in forbearance and repayment plans done via digital self-service technologies. Thank you on behalf of US Bank and our digital teams for recognizing this effort.
Congratulations to US Bank, and thanks, Kevin, for speaking on that particular award. We move over to the outstanding transformation in digital CX during COVID-19. A highly acclaimed honoree here is none other than CardsPal Pte Limited. And here we have Saim Yong Han, who is the Chief Executive Officer of CardsPal Pte Limited. Over to you, Saim, for a few words.
Firstly, I would like to thank Digital Banker and the judges for recognizing our achievement and presenting us this award. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Standard Chartered Bank and SC Ventures for giving us unwavering support and unfair advantage throughout our venture journey. Not to forget our strategic partners, as well as our business partners who believe in us and willing to ride this journey with us. Last but not least, my lovely CardsPal team members who have been working very hard over the past year. Without the team contribution and dedication, we won't reach this far. CardsPal is a lifestyle venture that helps mass market users to save effortlessly through great deals and recommending users best payment type when transacting. This year will be another exciting year for us, and we will continue to focus on CX, putting customer at the core in building, enhancing the product. Keep watching us in this space. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Yong Han, for those words. And our next award is for outstanding use of digital channels for improved CX. And the winner of this award is Absa Bank from Mauritius. And here we have its Director of Digital Transformation and Technology, Sandeep Mohapatra.
Thank you, Digital Banker. It's a huge honor to be recognized in a global platform of this scale. Absa Bank Mauritius has introduced many firsts in the banking industry, and not just in Mauritius. I think it would apply to many parts of the world globally. We were the first and only banker to have introduced Abby, an AI-powered digital personal banker in humanoid form and in its kiosk across all Absa branches in Mauritius. Abby was also extended to provide WhatsApp banking, which was again a first in the industry here for transactions and queries. We were also the first ones to introduce AI-powered digital KYC in under 30 seconds across our customer segments while digitally onboarding them. We were the first to offer cardless and contactless QR-based ATM withdrawals at our ATMs during the pandemic. We were the first to provide goal-based savings account, first ones to have one Absa Mauritius app across its banking customer segments, be it business banking, retail, or wealth international. We're proud of what we've achieved, and we believe we are at the tipping point of a much bigger banking revolution. So thank you once again for this, truly humbled and honored.
Thank you very much, Sandeep, and congratulations, of course, to Absa in Mauritius. We move over to the outstanding digital CX by a virtual bank, and here we have a familiar organization over in Hong Kong. which is none other than Mox Bank, part of Standard Chartered's virtual banking portfolio in Asia. Unfortunately, we don't have a representative from Mox, but you shall hear from them at a later stage. Nonetheless, congratulations.
Thank you very much, Nirav. And next up, we have the Outstanding Digital CX Strategy Overall winner. And this one goes to CTBC Bank. And there on your screens, you see its Chief Technology Officer, Titan Chia. Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations to CTBC. We move over to the final award within this category, which is a highly acclaimed winner for Outstanding Digital CX Strategy Overall. And that goes to Bank of Bahrain and Kuwait. And please help in welcoming General Manager of Retail Banking, Dr. Adel Salem.
Hi, my name is Adel. I'm the head of retail banking in BBK, Bank of Bahrain and Kuwait in Bahrain. We have actually put our strategy related to the digitization of all of our services. We've started in 2017, 2018. We have built the right platform for that. And our focus was not only on digitizing. Actually, we came with a concept related to the network, the branches as well, 24/7, fully digitized. The customer can do all they need. And we have introduced our new app, mobile app, and internet banking application as well, which has all the features that the customer can do without referring to the branch. They can do their balance inquiry, they can do their remittance, they can do transfers locally and internationally, they can do their update of KYC. And on the same, we have introduced for the customer to open their accounts online without referring to the bank itself. And that, with the coming up of the COVID-19 pandemic, this actually helped the customer to do all their business, whether opening account, focusing on their transactions, doing an update without referring to the bank, they will do it. And on the same, we have focused more on the security part as well. The security part, we have ensured that all the type of security that actually prevent anyone from attacking us is actually embedded within the solution.
Congratulations to BBK. Fantastic achievement. And this concludes our category. We're now going to move over to the Technology Awards. It is a long day, ladies and gents. We've got a substantial number of honorees from all across the world. Of course, the reason why there are so many in this case is because the Digital CX Awards really covers all lines of financial services. So if you're just joining or tuning into us live, this is not just retail or SME banking. We're really going across the board, really looking at the whole financial services ecosystem. So let's not waste any more time. And it's really been great to hear from all the honorees, a great opportunity to actually understand the initiatives and the innovations that these banks are driving worldwide. Let's move swiftly over to the Technology Awards, shall we, Angelique? And
Absolutely.
I'm going to allow you to introduce our first winner.
Thank you very much. So we have 7 winners for the Technology Awards, and the first one is for Best Cloud Initiative for Digital CX, and the winner is Goldman Sachs. And here we have its Vice President Transaction Banking, Divya Batra.
Thank you, the Digital Banker, for the honor. I'm Divya, and I lead the digital products team in Bengaluru at Goldman Sachs Transaction Banking. These days, corporate clients need banking providers and platforms with modern technology and a seamless user experience. We built our API-enabled platform from scratch and in the cloud, which allowed us to reimagine the complete end-to-end user experience and build a modern consumer-grade user interface. TXB's customizable APIs are big contributors to the platform's success as they enable different payment types across various methods and geographies, enhanced and secure industry standard reporting and analytics of real-time balances, payment statuses, and transaction reports across different time periods. The end result is a platform that provides our clients with a consistent global experience. Thank you, Digital CX, for the opportunity to share more about Goldman Sachs Transaction Banking, and thank you so much for the honor.
Thank you very much, Divya, and congratulations to Goldman Sachs Transaction Banking for the Best Cloud Initiative for Digital CX. We move over to the Best Technology Implementation for Digital CX, and your winner here is the CCIB TB Technology of Standard Chartered, and we do have a picture of Geeta Ashok, who's unable to speak to us live, but you'll hear more about this initiative and why it warranted this acclaim at a later stage.
Next up, the best use of AI for customer experience under the insurance category. And the winner is FWD. And we have its Group Chief Data Officer, Dr. Yao Yu Hui, to say a few words.
Thank you, the Digital Bank, for giving us this amazing award. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our group and our country data and business team for your strong support and contributions to make this win happen. With our AI Smart Insurance, we will continue to strive to deliver best-in-class customer experience in line with our visions of changing the way people feel about insurance. Thank you, the judges, again, for the recognitions, and also congratulations all the winners today. Thank you.
Thank you very much there, Dr. Yao Yu Hui. And we move over to the best use of data and analytics for customer experience, another highly competitive category. Your winner here is Ping An One Connect Bank in Hong Kong. And here we have Jalin Jiao, who is the Deputy Chief Executive. Let's hear from her.
On behalf of Ping An One Connect Bank, I would like to thank you for the honor of being selected as the best use of data and analytics for Digital CX Award. Our deepest appreciation goes to the digital banker and the judging panel for selecting PAOB. Also, I must extend the credits and the recognition to the PAOB team. They very much deserve this honor. As the first virtual bank specializing SME banking services in Hong Kong, PAOB strives for easing prolonged financing constraints of local SMEs through fintech solutions, in particular data analytics. And we are committed to revolutionizing the traditional finance experience with the innovative alternative credit scoring model. Thank you, the digital banker, again. I hope this award demonstrates that compassion of virtual banks to create and deliver customer-centric banking services by putting big data analytics in real. Thank you.
Congratulations to Ping An One Connect. Next up, we have the best use of data and analytics for CX. This is a highly acclaimed winner, and the award goes to Dubai First. And here we have its head for Dubai First Cards and Digital, Harun Durrani.
Hi, everyone. On behalf of FAB Leadership, our partners, and the Dubai First team, I'd like to thank everyone for this award. We're truly humbled and honored. In Dubai First, we really pride ourselves in bringing innovation to the UAE market, whether it be in the form of instant gratification, the cashback gamification, or the forefront or the lead that we've taken in driving hyper-contextualized real-time engagement with our customers. This new capability allows us to leverage artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to deliver real-time engagement notifications to our customers with location intelligence. Basically, we're engaging the right customer with the right offer at the right time to ensure there's relevance in our engagement that is meaningful to our customers. We're not spamming them with irrelevant content. This not only allows us to stand out as a leading brand with unique propositions in the market, but what really matters is that we're generating value for our customers. And share customer value is something that generates or enhances shareholder value. So again, we're very humbled and honored by this approach, by this award, and we'd like to thank everyone again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Harun, and congratulations to you and Dubai First Cards and Digital for Dubai First. Okay, so we move over now to the penultimate award within this category, which is the Outstanding Chatbox Customer Experience. And your winner here is Krungsri Consumer. Please help us in introducing Unchuli Viavthong, who is the Operations Leader. Unchuli, over to you for a few words.
Hi, everyone. Thank you very much, Digital Banker, for this honorable award. Outstanding Chatbot Customer Experience. Since we are the first implementation chatbot in financial business in Thailand, so this reward is a remarkable explanation for every one of us in Krungsri Consumer about the real meaning of how teamwork make a dream work. And I would like to give my heartfelt thanks to our AI chatbot team, both back-end and front-end team for their dedication and also hard work since day one. And also our management team for their fully support and guidance. And lastly, our best company, Kungsi Group and Kungsi Consumer, where there is no limit for creativity and digital innovation for our customer. We promise that we will do it better and better for our customer. Thank you all again. ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ to Unjali and congratulations to Krungsi Consumer. Next, we have the best use of technology for customer experience overall, and the winner for this is Scotiabank. And unfortunately, Scotiabank couldn't be with us today, so we will, of course, accept that award on their behalf.
Thank you very much there, Angelique, and that concludes the Tech Awards. Congratulations to Scotiabank for that. Let's move over to the Vendor Awards. This is a short category. We've only started introducing real Vendor Awards into our awards programs, which is, of course, sort of financial services institutions first. But it gives me great pleasure in introducing the very first award under this, and that is for the Best Digital CX Partner for Retail Banking, and that goes to Crealogics. Please help me in welcoming the Managing Director for the CEE region, Almir Marghela. Almir, over to you for a few words. I'm not sure if you can hear us. Are you going to say a few words there, Almir?
Yes, I will add issues to unmute, basically. Thank you very much. Thank you to Digital Bankers. Thank you to everyone who voted us. In the name of Crealogics, we are very honored to be considered and awarded for this prestigious award. You must know we are here for 25 years. We started in Switzerland and spread throughout the whole world. So customers believed in us, and we are honored we received this award because it also shows recognition, because in the last year we invested 30% in R&D, and this means our team made a great effort, and we are really focusing and investing into the future and in innovation, and we're really happy. So a big thank you goes to our team of developers and to our customers who believe in us and go the journey with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Almir, and congratulations to Crealogics. Next, we have the Best Payment Solutions by a Vendor, and this award goes to Fiserv. And here we have its Vice President, Product Solutions and Marketing, Randy Piat.
My name is Randy Piat from Fiserv, and I'm very excited to accept this award from Digital Banker on behalf of my colleagues at Ondot and the broader Fiserv enterprise. At Fiserv, we're constantly focused on innovating to provide the solutions our issuers and their consumers need, and we're excited to earn this award in support of that goal. Card payment transactions are moments that matter. They're vital to consumers' lives and represent one of the most frequent and important banking interactions. Today's consumers demand safe, frictionless, and personalized payment experiences that align with their evolving lifestyles. And modernized digital-first card experiences eliminate wait time and strengthen consumers' emotional bonds with financial institutions through repeated positive interactions in real time. So CardHub from Fiserv delivers a digital journey that distinguishes financial institutions and elevates their brand and helps them successfully compete in their markets. A properly designed and robust card program is actually one of the financial services industry's best assets. The programs are a critical relationship product that delivers convenience to consumers and cardholder loyalty and income benefits to financial institutions. Delivering these services digitally ensures financial institutions keep their consumers safe and are able to transact securely. So CardHub enables institutions of every size to achieve higher card usage, deeper user loyalty, and lower service costs by empowering digitally minded consumers to enroll their cards to take advantage of self-service digital transactions. So again, on behalf of the Fiserv team and the Ondot organization, I'm super excited to accept this award and really thank the Digital Banker team for recognizing us in this way. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Randy. Congratulations to Fiserv for the best payment solution by a vendor. And of course, you'll get to hear a little bit more around these initiatives and what warranted the acclaim in the post-awards briefing and of course, at the CXO assessment that we'll be running in late August. We'll move over to the best digital CX partner for wealth management and private banking. The winner here is, once again, congratulations, Creologics. Almir, over to you for a few words. Congratulations on your second award of the day.
Thank you very much, Digital Bankers, and again, thank you to the voters. So just a few words. When I said we started in Switzerland, was really true. It was the 90s when we did the first digital banking here in Switzerland. And the same goes for wealth for our Nordic region. So in this case, during the pandemic, the customer approached us really and wanted to disrupt the business. So we're just in the beginning of helping customers, our banking customers, to have a better digital engagement model, a better profiling of their customers, and a better digital robo-advice. So I want to especially thank here our Nordic region department based in UK, who is our foundation for the wealth success. Thank you again, Digital Bankers. Thank you to our Creologics team.
Congratulations once again to Creologics, and thank you very much, Almir, for those words. And now we move on to the next batch of awards, and this is for the wealth management category. And for this, we have 11 awards. So let's get started with the first one.
Well, I think, yeah, absolutely we should do it. And just before we do that, I think for us, wealth management is a space to watch. I mean, we've been looking at the investment that worldwide institutions are making in democratizing wealth management. We heard a little bit from Christine Foister earlier at HSBC UK, particularly looking at financial inclusion for women in retirement. This is just sort of one facet, but what we're really seeing here is how retail institutions, wealth management units of the retail banks are really now making wealth management services and capabilities available to the day-to-day customer. This is regardless of the AUM that they have with the bank. So this is a really interesting space to watch. We're also seeing a lot of disruption in the fintech arena by mobile wealth platforms as well. So it's interesting to see how the incumbents are remaining relevant and what investments they're making, how they're driving digital customer experience across wealth management. This is, of course, key. So just before we go into these awards, I'd like to congratulate all of our honorees so far to date. Once again, if you're just joining us, please go to thedigitalbanker.com or follow us on LinkedIn at The Digital Banker or Global Private Banker, where you'll see snippets of this program and speeches from all the honorees. We're going to move over now into the Wealth Management Awards, and I believe the first one we're going to start with is... Okay, so I believe we're still getting one or two of the areas ready for that particular program in itself. But I would just like to say that if you haven't yet recorded a speech, there is a dedicated link which will allow you to actually say a few words, commemorate your award, and thanks to your team. This is separate from the awards that you're actually receiving and then being able to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. This is actually something that will allow you to record a 2 to 3 minute speech. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Any challenges in getting that information, contact our team. Okay, let's move over to wealth management. I believe we're now ready. On the back end, that is. So the Wealth Management Awards category, the first award within this is the Best Digital CX for Account Opening and Customer Onboarding. And your winner here is a familiar face from this evening, Absa Bank Mauritius. And please welcome back Sandeep Mohapatra, the Director of Digital Transformation and Technology. Sandeep, huge congratulations to you and the team.
Thank you, Nirav. Thank you once again, Digital Banker, for this honor. Well, the challenge that we were up against was onboarding international customers during the pandemic era. So we came up with a very innovative way in which we get things done in our Africanacity spirit. The digital onboarding for our wealth international clients is truly unique in the sense that we provided a fully responsive, simple, intuitive online application with an option to resume at any point in time. It was powered by digital KYC with liveness detection, where ID of the client was matched real time with a Face ID detection in front of the camera. We had OCR checks to do ID proof and address proof verification appearing so that it's exactly that of the applicant. We had live customer support throughout the customer journey through live chat and co-browsing. and it was supported by a very elegant zero code, no code workflow platform that allowed us to do a lot of things among streamlining our entire back office application, doing risk scores, enhanced due diligence, and so on and so forth with real-time dashboards and reports. Our promise is that we shall continue on this journey and to bring new digital possibilities to life for our customers. And a prestigious global award like this just reinforces that belief, our trajectory, our direction of travel in which we are taking a bold digital transformation journey. So thank you once again.
And thank you to you once again, Sandeep, and congratulations to Absa Bank. And next up, we have the Best Wealth Manager Digitally Empowering RMs. And the winner for this is Alliance Bank Malaysia Berhad.
Thank Digital Banker for the award. We're indeed delighted to provide our customers an avenue to fulfill their wealth investment purchases just from the convenience of their handphones. We're also very encouraged from the take-up that we've seen from customers. I think overall the team saw this as a good opportunity and prioritized the need for a remote wealth channel. This indeed has helped our RMs and customers together in terms of fulfilling wealth investment products purchases in an easy and opportune time. We thank Digital Banker for the acknowledgement and for the award. Thank you.
Thank you, Angelique. And we're not too far away now from the country and the global awards. Let's move on to the outstanding digital CX for internet banking. And your winner here is IDFC First Bank.
Thank you, Digital CX and the Digital Banker, for this wonderful recognition. We at IDFC First Bank are obsessed with providing our customers with best-in-class digital customer experience. So when we began our wealth management journey, our stated objective was to democratize wealth management for our customers. And the only way one could simplify and democratize wealth management was by making it digitally and seamlessly available in the hands of all our customers. So I humbly accept this recognition on behalf of the wonderful team here at IDFC First Bank, who tirelessly work towards helping us make our customers happy. Thank you once again, Digital CX and the Digital Banker, for this wonderful recognition. Thank you.
Congratulations to IDFC First Bank.
And now we have the outstanding digital CX for mobile banking. And the winner for this is HSBC.
Huge thank you to the Digital Banker for awarding HSBC Hong Kong in the category of outstanding digital customer experience in mobile banking, and recognizing the progress we are making in the digital transformation, especially in the wealth and personal banking. It's an absolute honor to receive the award on behalf of the team. Thank you. We embarked on a mission to be the #1 consumer brand in Hong Kong, and we invested heavily to enrich our features on HSBC Hong Kong app for customers to grow and monitor their wealth, but also to help them meet all their needs digitally at their fingertips. Just as a comparison in wealth management, in 2021, we have tripled the number of new digital features launched versus a year before. Some of the key enhancements for which we have been recognized in this award include: customers can now start banking with HSBC Hong Kong by opening an account in just under 5 minutes on a mobile phone, anytime and anywhere. We created a wealth hub where customers can apply for investment account opening remotely through the new journey, stay up to date with the market trends, view their investment portfolio, and make new trades. We launched first in the market Global Payment Tracker, where customers can track the payment status globally. We also enhanced unit trust, equity, foreign currency trading experience, and much more. We also improved the messaging functionality with the use of data and intelligence to provide personalized and relevant messages to our customers, but also to help them interact with us on a mobile via the new mobile chat capabilities. We also launched Well Plus to help customers stay healthy and financially fit. It aimed to drive long-term behavioral change and engagement on the app through different touch points based on relevant scenarios. That's not all. We've been progressing actively on our digital agenda, launching a new digital feature pretty much every single business day last year and we continue to deliver at pace this year to further improve and enhance our mobile banking experience for our customers. So thank you, Digital Banker, for this award. It means a lot to us. And thank you to all our colleagues and teams across HSBC Hong Kong and globally that supported us and continue to support us on this journey. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to HSBC for the outstanding digital CX in mobile banking for wealth management. We move over to the next award within the category, which is the outstanding digital CX for financial inclusion. Your winner here is Standard Chartered over in Kenya. And here we have Paul Njoki, who is the head of wealth management, deposits and secured lending for Kenya, East Africa. Over to you, Paul. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, the Digital Banker, for this award of outstanding financial inclusion in wealth management. We are very delighted that we were included in these awards for the launch of SC Shilingi Fund in Kenya. We thank our colleagues and our partners, and indeed our clients who've helped us co-create to deliver these solutions to our client. SC Shilingi Fund helps our clients to invest as low as $10 in a liquid money market fund here in Kenya. And the journey is 100% digital and is available 24 hours, 7 days, 365 days a year. Standard Chartered Bank is very clear about its strategy around lifting participation and helping to have more clients included in planning and saving for their retirement and for any other use. This product, indeed, since launched, has helped our clients to invest as high as 280 million shillings in less than 2 months, 80% of which clients are below the age of 40 years, 41 below the age of 30 years. This is testament that this solution is really working and addressing the key clients that we are looking to include in this space. I would like to particularly thank Ovisha, Ode, and Mauro, and Nema Gitao, who have helped us to bring this solution to market. Their effort have been recognized, and we dearly thank them for the work they've done. We like also to thank our clients who have believed in our brand and here for good and continue supporting us so that we can continue to deliver more solutions for them in this market. The award that we've won today is second to another award we won in 2019, again in financial inclusion, for helping our clients to invest in government bonds for as low as 100,000 shillings. Again, we are very thankful for the Digital Banker for recognizing our effort and indeed noting that we are helping our clients in this part of the world to be financially included. Thank you very much and have a good day.
Thank you very much, Paul, and congratulations to Standard Chartered. Right now, we have the Outstanding Digital CX for Financial Inclusion, and this is a highly acclaimed winner, and it goes to HSBC UK. And here, once again, we heard from her earlier during the symposium, is the head for wealth management, Christine Foister.
Thank you. I would like to say thank you so much for this award, which I'm really proud to accept on behalf of HSBC. We've worked collaboratively across the bank and with our partners, Wealth Wizards, to create digital tools and resources to make retirement planning accessible for everyone. And so to receive this recognition from Digital Banker of how inclusive we've made our website and calculator inspires us to keep developing more innovation. So thank you to the whole team for their hard work and to Digital Banker for this great honour. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Christine. Great to see you again, and a remarkable achievement there. So well done to all involved. Let's move over to the Outstanding Innovation in Digital CX for Structured Products. And your winner here is Standard Chartered. Unfortunately, we don't have a representative live, but once again, you will be able to hear from the winner at a later stage. Over to you, Angelique.
Right now, we have the Outstanding Innovation in Digital CX FX solution, and its winner is Standard Chartered Bank Malaysia Berhad. We were meant to have Samir Sharma, the head of retail banking, join us, but unfortunately he's unable to, so we will accept this on his behalf.
Thank you very much, and congratulations to Samir Sharma and to Standard Chartered Malaysia. We'll move over to the outstanding robo-advisory solution. And your winner here is Commercial Bank of Dubai. And we have Amit Malhotra today, who's the General Manager of Personal Banking Group. Amit, congratulations to you for the outstanding robo-advisory solution. You're welcome to say a few words.
Thank you very much. I take this opportunity to thank the Digital Banker as well as the jury for this recognition on behalf of the Commercial Bank of Dubai. CBD Investor, as we call it, came out of our FinTech collaboration program, wherein we partnered with the FinTech to come out with the region's first robo-advisory capability. The capability basically allows customers to manage their portfolios, leveraging on smart algorithms, which help their portfolios based on the customer profile, their risk appetite, as well as investment goals. We are continuously enhancing this. In fact, recently we also added to the ability for customers to self-manage their portfolio. We have a roadmap to come out with additional capabilities as we go forward. It's a complete digital solution. All it takes is your national ID and your smartphone to get started with and start building your portfolio. So those of you who are in this part of the world, do try it out and give us your feedback. And thank you once again. We will be back with more soon. In the meantime, all the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Amit, and congratulations to CBD. And now we have the outstanding robo-advisory solution, also a highly acclaimed winner, and that award goes to Taipei Fubon Commercial Bank. We have today with us Senior Executive Vice President Brian Cho.
Hi, good afternoon. It's a great honor to receive this award. As the #1 robo-advisory in Taiwan, Taipei Fubon Banks aim to bring an easy and hassle-free robo-advisor for millennials who value simplicity, speedy, and risk diversified. Thank you again, DCX team, for your recognition. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Brian, and congratulations once again to Taipei Fubon.
And I believe the final award within within this category is for the best digital CX account opening and customer onboarding, or rather, yep, I believe it is. Sorry, it's the outstanding transformation in digital CX by a wealth manager, and your winner here is Standard Chartered, and unfortunately Samir Sharma is unable to join at the very last minute, but we will accept the award on his behalf.
Okay, so we're now moving over to the Private Banking Awards, and for this category we have one winner. And for the best private bank for digitally empowering RMs, the winner for this is Standard Chartered. And once again, unfortunately, no representative from Standard Chartered could be with us today.
Congratulations, Standard Chartered. And of course, for our Private Banking Awards, you may join us in July, I believe, for the Global Private Banking Innovation Awards, which is open exclusively to private banks, family offices, and asset managers worldwide. So we look forward to celebrating the private wealth industry there. We're going to move over to the sort of transaction banking awards right now. And that really will kick off the country awards after, I think, a few more announcements. So the first winner is the best digital CX in account opening and customer onboarding. Your winner here is Citi Treasury and Trade Solutions, and here we have Julie Betts, who is the head of digital onboarding. Julie, congratulations to you. Great to see you live on screen. Please go ahead and say a few words.
Thanks, Narab. On behalf of Citi and all of our teams working on the digital onboarding program around the globe, I would like to say thank you to the Digital Banker for giving us the honor of being recognized as having the best client experience and account opening in customer onboarding and transaction banking category. The account opening and customer onboarding experience is extremely important to us. We co-create with our clients and ensure that their voice is our guiding force in every design decision that we make, while we continue harnessing the benefits of technology and constantly innovating in an effort to provide the best experience for our clients at a global scale. Thank you again for this honor.
Congratulations, Citi, and thank you very much, Julie, for those words. Next up, we have the Outstanding Digital CX for Cash Management Platform, and the winner is CIMB Thai Bank Public Company Limited, and we have its Executive Vice President of Head of Technology and Data, Paisan Tumpotong. Thank you very much, and congratulations, CIMB Thailand.
And next up, we have the Outstanding Digital CX for Corporate Banking app. And your winner here is HSBC Net Mobile app. And here we have Jae Sung Kim, who is the Senior Digital Channels Manager. Over to you for a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you. It is a great honor to receive Digital Customer Experience Award. HSBC Net Mobile enables customers to access a full suite of the corporate banking service at any time. On behalf of HSBC, I'm very pleased to dedicate this great award to whole HSBC Net team in multi-geography. Thank you for recognizing with this award.
Congratulations, HSBC. And next we have the Outstanding Digital CX Bank Cards winner, and that award goes to Citi. And today we have with us its Senior Vice President, Engineering Head, Commercial Cards, Mobile and API, Dr. Imtiaz Yakuban.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. As mentioned, I'm Imtiaz Yakuban, and on behalf of Citi, I would like to thank Digital Banker for giving us the honor of being recognized as having an outstanding digital CX in banking cards in the wholesale transaction banking category. The card solutions we offer our clients are paramount to their everyday treasury needs, and we have developed a digital tool to help them stay connected wherever they are. Additionally, we are able to obtain invaluable feedback within the tool, which provides a connection with clients to more accurately understand their experience and how best to meet their needs, evident by the tremendous 109% increase in the App Store rating since app launch. Thank you again for this prestigious honor.
Thank you very much there, and congratulations to Citi. Imtiaz, thank you for those words. We'll move over to the Outstanding Digital CX Payments and Collection Services. And the winner here is Taipei Fubon Commercial Bank this time. Please welcome Brian Chiu, the Senior Executive Vice President. Congratulations.
Thank you once again for your recognition. Many effort went into Pay City project, which we aim to make ourselves the city government's best partner on the path to smart city transformation. This supports our vision and responsibility in building a smarter, better everyday life for our citizens. Thank you again.
Congratulations, Taipei Fubon, and thank you very much, Brian, for those words. And next up, we have the Outstanding Digital CX Payments and Collection Services. And this one is, again, a highly acclaimed winner. And congratulations goes out to IndusInd Bank Limited. And here is Executive Vice President and National Head CMS Sales, Ajas Adil.
Thank you. It is my honor to accept the award on behalf of IndusInd Bank, and proud moment for me and my team members. IndusInd Bank is pioneer in various transactional banking solutions in India. In fact, for the last few months, we have been focusing on one of the key initiatives in cluster approach within India, which is basically identifying the niche market in India, understanding their payment problems, and innovating various banking solutions for them. Getting an award for the same validates our approach, and we are working on similar initiatives in transaction banking group to help these type of niche markets. Thank you again for the award. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Ajaz, and of course, congratulations to IndusInd Bank for that award as well. I'd just like to thank each and every honoree that's really been with us today. So thank you so much for participating. But more importantly, thank you for those detailed submissions. As I've said before in previous galas, it's really these submissions and the commitment to innovation that allows us to benchmark the best practices in the industry across retail banking, wealth management, SME, transaction, and of course the private wealth sector as well. At the Digital Banker, we are closely following the fintech community to look at new fintech business models. I guess what's particularly important for us is the way how banks are really now developing new products and services through the lens of fintech. I mean, they have the regulatory and the risk frameworks, they have the expertise, they have the innovation hubs, the tech centers. Of course, regulatory reforms can put pressures on those mandates. However, we're starting to see a lot of competition really strike out, not just through the ecosystem play, but really through banks who are incubating new models and actually taking them to IPO, but then also building these capabilities to really drive the customer experience. We would like to obviously welcome each and every single one of you to the TDB Insights, which will be a granular assessment on our end of these submissions. And Angelique, would you like to talk to them about what we're going to be doing next, because we have the country awards?
Absolutely. Well, as Nirav just said, we have the country awards, which I believe is the final award category for this year's Digital CX Award. So let's kick it off with the first one.
Yeah, I believe there is country and then sort of regional and global. So we're not too far off, but we've gotten through the bulk of it. We just thank you all for your patience. It's not the easiest to run these assessment programs virtually, so we're very much looking forward to going back to a physical format. With that said, let's go ahead. And Angelique, actually, I don't want to steal this from you, so why don't you go ahead and introduce the first winner here.
All right, thank you, Nirav. Here is the winner for the Best Digital Bank for CX Canada. This one goes to TD Bank. Congratulations. No one was able to join us, obviously, because of the time difference. So congratulations to TD Bank.
Absolutely. Congratulations, and we look forward to hearing from them at a later stage. The next award within the Country Awards category is the Best Digital Bank for CX in Hong Kong. And over here we have Citibank. And please welcome Nilesh Shan, who is the head of digital channels and experience. Over to you, Nilesh. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, Digital Banker, for recognizing our work. This makes us 2 in 2, which is like consecutive years be getting this award. It kind of showcases our commitment to client experience and digital transformation. So thank you once again for the award.
Congratulations, Citi, and thank you, Nilesh. Next up, we have the Best Digital Bank for CX Malaysia. And the winner is Malaysia Banking Berhad, Maybank, and here is its head virtual banking and payments, Ms. Kalyani Nair.
Thank you very much, Digital Banker. We are very much honored to be receiving this award. And it is really a testimony of the whole team working together to make sure that the user experience that our customers have is really superior. So once again, thank you.
Thank you very much, Kalyani, for those words, and congratulations to Maybank for that remarkable achievement. We are going to be moving over to the Best Digital Bank for Customer Experience in Pakistan this time. And your winner here is none other than Standard Chartered Pakistan. I believe we do have a representative here. Please do say a few words if you have the opportunity.
Yeah, hi, thank you very much. First of all, it's an honor to receive this award on behalf of Standard Chartered Pakistan. And I would like to thank the Digital Banker team and the panel of judges who have chosen us again for the second year in a row for this prestigious award. That tells us a lot about it's a testimony of our customers' trust in Standard Chartered Pakistan and a result of our colleagues' hard work over the years, and gives us a lot of confidence to continue working on our strategy to get more done for our clients in terms of digitization and data analytics. Thank you once again, and all the very best to all the winners. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for those words, and congratulations to Stan Chart. Next, we have the Best Digital Bank for CX Philippines, and the winner is ING Philippines. Congratulations. No one was able to join us from the Philippines from ING, so we will accept this award on their behalf.
Congratulations to ING, and thanks for that, Angelique. Let's move over to the Best Digital Bank for Customer Experience in Singapore. I'm delighted to introduce your winner for this award, which is Standard Chartered Singapore. And over here we have Husna Mustafa, who's the Product Manager of Digital Banking, who's going to give us a smile and a wave, I believe. Thanks very much, Husna, and congratulations to you and everybody at Standard Chartered Singapore.
And next is the Best Digital Bank for Customer Experience Taiwan, and the winner is CTBC Bank. And we'd like to congratulate them. And on the screen, you see it's CTO, Mr. Titan Chia.
Congratulations, CTBC Taiwan. Your next winner within the Country Awards category is the Best Private Bank for Customer Experience in Thailand. And we're delighted to introduce your winner here, Kasikorn Bank PCL. And here we have Ms. Sujai Hanchawawong, who is the MD of Business Strategy and Marketing Head for Private Banking Group at K-Bank. Over to you.
Good afternoon, everybody. On behalf of Kasikorn Bank Private Banking, I would like to congratulate all the organizations that has been nominated and awarded in this year's the Digital CX Award. And also, I would like to thank the Digital Banker for hosting such an honorable award event today, and also for recognizing our effort. You all here inspire us to keep continuously improving our services to the greater extent. At Kasikorn Bank Private Banking, we strive for excellence in all dimensions. To locate ourselves into clients' daily life digitally is one of the key directions that we are moving forward to. We are not trying to build the most advanced technology into our services, but we are blending our service elements into client digital lifestyle. By doing so, now we can position ourselves as one part of clients' digital life journey and digital life experiences. This is one of the unique charms of us, Kasikorn Bank Private Banking, and I believe that this award is one of the proofs that we are moving forward into the right direction. Thank you once again, and I hope we all here will drive this business forward together. Thank you.
Khop Kun Ka, and congratulations to K-Bank. Next up, we have the Best Islamic Bank for Digital Customer Experience, UAE, and the winner is Standard Chartered. And here we have Director, Islamic Consumer, Private and Business Banking, Group Islamic Banking, Bobby Kusnander.
Thank you very much, Digital Banker, for the recognition. I'm delighted to receive the award on the behalf of Standard Chartered Bank UAE for the Best Islamic Bank Digital CX as the testament of our Islamic banking capabilities. Standard Chartered SADIQ has a strong commitment to offer the best Islamic solution to our customer with excellence in the products and services. Last but not least, thank you very much once again for Digital Banker, and congratulations to all of the winners. Thank you.
Thank you, Bobby, and congratulations to Standard Chartered for the Best Islamic Bank for Digital CX in UAE. We're sort of going through the, I guess, Islamic Banking awards here at the moment. So the next one is the Best Islamic Bank for Digital CX in Bangladesh. And your winner here is Standard Chartered Bangladesh SADIQ. And please welcome Asif Rahman, who is the Director of SADIQ CPBB. Asif, over to you.
Yeah, good afternoon. We are extremely delighted to receive these awards for the fourth time. This shows that we are in the right direction in terms of our digital journey. At the Standard Chartered, we are constantly trying to bring in innovation through digital platform to make sure our customers' experience is smoother. On behalf of Standard Chartered Bangladesh, we would like to thank the Digital Banker for this recognition, which will surely motivate us to keep on bringing more and more digital solutions for our customers. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you very much, Asif. You have a great day as well. Next up, we have Best Islamic Bank for Digital Customer Experience, Pakistan. And the winner is Standard Chartered once again. And we have Hassan here, who is going to say a few words.
I think this is an honor, and I'm extremely humbled on behalf of Standard Chartered Bank to receive this award for Best Islamic Bank. Thank you, TBD. To the entire team, and I think congratulations to all the winners for their efforts that they have put in to receive and being acknowledged by this prestigious institute. This recognition is the testament that Standard Chartered SADIQ has been the best Islamic banking brand in Pakistan, and the testimony of this that we offer a complete suite of Sharia compliant deposit, assets, wealth management, and digital banking solutions. And the best thing that the Standard Chartered about SADIQ is that Standard Chartered SADIQ was the first bank in Pakistan to launch its first Sharia compliant credit card. And it made me proud to actually convey this message that under the personal finance category, which is the personal financing, Sharia compliant, we have become the market leader in this country in terms of building up the volumes. So in the end, I would like to recognize and acknowledge the efforts of all the relevant departments, because we are working on a leverage model. It's a collaborative approach, and all the efforts and the recognition of the people across the products in helping us to achieve this recognition and win this award. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, and congratulations for the best Islamic bank for digital CX in Pakistan. Some great words there. Let's move over. I believe this may be the final Islamic banking award, but it's the best Islamic bank for digital CX in Malaysia. And over here we have Standard Chartered Bank Sadiq and Mr. Suzaini bin Mukhtar, who is the head of Islamic Consumer Private Banking and Business Banking, was going to join us, but we have a photo of him nonetheless. So congratulations to them over there.
Okay, moving on. We have the best retail bank for digital customer experience out of Canada, and the winner is TD Bank. And obviously, it is very, very early in Canada, so we will accept this on their behalf.
Thanks very much, Anjali, and congratulations to TD Bank. Let's move over to our best retail bank for digital customer experience in Greece. And I'm delighted to introduce your winner here, which is National Bank of Greece. And here we have Thomas Tsopanakis, who is the head of UX Hub. Thomas, over to you for a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you for this amazing award. In NBG, we focus on innovating and providing the best possible experience to our customers. A fully digital, impeccable digital banking that is personalized and custom-made for every customer and need. With that vision in mind, we will continue to evolve and develop groundbreaking solutions. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Thomas, and congratulations. Next, we have the best retail bank for digital CX, Hong Kong. And the winner is Standard Chartered Hong Kong. Here is its head of digital engagement and web management, Shirley Shi.
Hi, it is my honor to represent Standard Chartered Hong Kong to receive this award, the best retail bank for digital CX. So in Standard Chartered Hong Kong, we strongly believe it is crucial to leverage on latest technology to provide relevant products and services to add value to our clients' financial goal. We also strive our very best to leverage on advanced use of data and analytics to provide personalized digital experience for our clients and to continuously refine our digital offerings to better serve our customers. I would like to thank Digital Banker for recognizing our effort in driving digital experience. And I would also like to thank all the teams and colleagues in Hong Kong who are supporting us to continuously deliver the best-in-class digital experience. This award is actually for everyone. Thank you.
Fantastic words there. Thank you very much, Shirley, and congratulations to Standard Chartered Hong Kong. Let's move over. I believe we're halfway through the country awards now, and this is for the best retail bank for digital CX in Indonesia. Your winner here is Maybank Indonesia, and we have the Chief Strategy Transformation and Digital Officer, Michelle Hamilton. Over to you, Michelle.
Oh, hi, good afternoon. Thank you, Digital Banker, for this recognition. It's a great honor to receive this CX award on behalf of Maybank Indonesia. This award is truly the testament to our effort in driving and fostering innovation, putting our customer at the forefront of our business, in line with our mission, humanizing financial services. Maybank Indonesia will continue and committed to provide customer-centric services and adding digital advancement to meet our customer needs. Thank you once again.
Congratulations for the win. And up next, we have Best Retail Bank for Digital CX Kenya. And the winner is Standard Chartered Kenya. We were meant to have Mr. Wycliffe Owonda, but unfortunately, he's having some technical difficulties.
Congratulations nonetheless to Standard Chartered Kenya. Let's move over to the best retail bank for digital CX over in Malaysia. Now this goes to Maybank, and here we have Ms. Kalyani Nair, again, who is the head of virtual banking and payments for VPB.
Thank you, Digital Banker. Again, it's a real honor to be receiving this award, and I must thank the team for their relentless effort in driving for excellence in the customer experience, user experience, and trying to make the customer journey a delightful one for all our customers. Thank you again.
Thank you very much, Kalyani, once again. And next we have the best retail bank for digital CX Saudi Arabia. And the winner is the Saudi National Bank. And here you see its Senior Executive Vice President, Omar S. Yassin, who is going to give us a smile and a wave. And thanks for being with us, Omar.
Congratulations, Omar. And sorry, did you want to say a few words?
Whatever works out. So honestly, on behalf of the Saudi National Bank, I would like to thank you for this prestigious recognition, which reflects our vision and affirms our aspiration towards digital leadership locally and regionally, and gives us the push to strive even further towards this digital superiority. At the bank, we're committed towards enriching our digital capabilities through distinctive frictionless user experience. As such, has become a vital differentiated factor that distinguishes us from the competition. This honestly would not have been possible without the massive dedication from our digital team of stars that sits behind this recognition and are with us, watching us today. Well, this is for you, and because of you, thank you again.
Thank you very much, Omar. Congratulations to Saudi National Bank for that achievement. We're going to move swiftly on to the best retail bank for digital CX, this time in Singapore. And please help me in welcoming once again Standard Chartered Singapore. Husna Mustafa over at Standard Chartered Singapore. I believe you wanted to say a word or two for this particular recognition.
Thanks very much, Nirav. So once again, I think we're very honored and very humbled to actually receive this prestigious award from the Digital Banker, among other key industry players as well. This award would not have been possible without our partners, our technology teams, as well as our UI UX teams. Most importantly, our customers who are constantly believing in us, that we are here for good and that we constantly improve and innovate ourselves towards best in class. So once again, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Husna, and congratulations once again to Standard Chartered Singapore. And next we have the best retail bank for digital CX Thailand, and the winner is Kasikorn Bank PCL, and we have the head for and first senior vice president integrated channels and business solutions division, Satini Srirattanapong.
Thank you. I'm so delighted that KBank has won the award for the best retail bank for digital CX in Thailand. With our customer-centric strategy at heart, KBank has been offering the best-in-class digital customer experience for Thai people, made possible by building complete digital ecosystem together with our strategic partner to enable our customer to access our products and service at that moment of truth. Winning this award has given the opportunity for KBank to reflect and strengthen our position as the best digital customer experience provider in country. Certainly, we will not stop here and will strive to continue building comprehensive digital ecosystem to our customer. Thank you, the Digital Banker, for the recognition and this honorable award. Thank you.
Congratulations, Satini, and of course to KBank for that achievement. We move on to the best retail bank for digital CX in Uganda this time. And please help me in welcoming Standard Chartered Uganda. And here we have Moses Rutagwa. I hope I pronounced that correctly, Moses. You're the head of consumer, private and business banking. It's great to see you again on stage. Please go ahead and say a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Digital Banker, for the recognition as the best retail bank in digital client experience in Uganda. This accolade acknowledges the progress we have made in using digital capabilities to making banking easier, safer, cost-effective, and safer for everyone. We have placed customers at the center of all that we do. Not only, and technology is not only enabling us to listen and innovate for them, but also anticipate their current and future needs. Our clients now think digital first whenever they plan to do banking with us, and more than 90% of our transactions now happen outside physical channels. I'd like to thank my colleagues in Uganda and across the group who have supported us on this journey, ensure that we make banking easier and safer for our customers, but most importantly, support them on this journey. We have placed customer education at the back of all that we do, and my colleagues across the group have helped us significantly on this journey. I'd also like to thank all stakeholders who have enabled us to be able to roll out these solutions in time and also keep checking us along the way to ensure that whatever we do meets the needs of our customers in all that we plan, and what we plan to do is aimed at them. Otherwise, the journey ahead is greater and better. We remain committed to investing in platforms that can offer our customers the best of the experience, but also expand the offering that we do offer them to be able to cover areas like wealth management and other solutions that we do have as a bank in Uganda. Otherwise, I'd like to thank all our stakeholders, and we'd like to thank Digital Banker once again for this great recognition.
So we thank you, Digital Banker, for the award and the recognition of the leadership.
Thanks so much, Ricky. Great to hear from you and see you live there. And that was for the best wholesale transaction bank for digital CX over in India. Congratulations to everybody involved in that achievement. We'll move over to, again, the best wholesale transaction bank for digital CX, this time in the Philippines. And please join me in commemorating Union Bank of Philippines. And here we have the Executive Vice President and Head, Transaction Banking Center, Ramon Duarte. Ramon, congratulations.
Yes. Good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much. Union Bank would very much want to thank the Digital Banker, as we are very much indeed proud and honored to receive such a recognition. Union Bank has been on its transformation journey for quite a few years now in all aspects of our business. And I think one area that's particularly exciting is in the area of transaction banking. So we have done a lot of work here. We have, adopted taking principles of working on around first principles and co-creation. We have rethought a lot of the experiences for delivering transaction banking services. And we have made tremendous investments in terms of our time, effort, and focus. And the award today is but a validation of that. There's more to come. We're not done through. I guess digital transformation is a continuous journey. And I must thank my team and others in the bank, our technology partners, our service delivery and process partners, and our customers, of course. And I thank you again for the award, and congratulations to all the recipients of today's awards. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramon, and congratulations once again to Union Bank of the Philippines. Next, we have Best Wholesale or Transaction Bank for Digital CX, this time out of Thailand. And the winner for this is Bangkok Bank Public Company Limited. And we were meant to have Pipat Asamongkol, who is the Executive Vice President, join us, but unfortunately he couldn't today, so we will accept it on his behalf.
Thanks very much, Angelique, and congratulations to Bangkok Bank. That brings us to the final award within the country awards. We are, ladies and gents and honorees, close to the end of the gala. So it gives me great pleasure to introduce the best wholesale transaction bank for digital CX in the UK. And your winner here is Standard Chartered. And once again, we see Ricky Kaur, who's head of transaction banking Asia and AME, live with us. Ricky, would you like to say a few words about this particular award?
Yeah, sure. Look, again, thank you for the recognition. Look, this time for our advanced Euro cash capability. So on behalf of our broad teams, we're really thrilled, and thank you, Digital Banker, for the recognition and the award.
Thank you very much, Ricky. Great hearing from you and seeing you again, and congratulations to Standard Chartered once again.
I believe that now, Angelique, this brings us to the final awards category, which is the Global Awards. It's been a long afternoon, but it's been fabulous to see so many recipients from so many countries across the world and various continents join us live today. So let's get kicked off with the Global Awards, and the first one in this is
the world's best Islamic bank for digital customer experience, and the winner is Standard Chartered Bank Sadiq. And here is Head Islamic Banking UAE, Head Islamic Consumer Private and Business Banking, Group Islamic Banking, Mr. Ali Alawala.
Yeah, thank you very much. I would like to thank Digital Bankers and for selecting us for this award. Standard Chartered is the only international bank that does Islamic banking in Asia, Africa, and Middle East. and we're really proud to get this recognition, and also very happy to see some of my other colleagues in Pakistan, Malaysia, and Bangladesh winning this award probably for the third time in a row. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, our clients, our supporters, Digital Banker, for this achievement. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ali. Great to see you on stage there. For all of you who have joined us today, you will get to hear from all of our honorees post-event and be able to watch their sort of awards speeches and their recognition. So we're going to move over to the world's best transaction bank for digital CX now. And your winner here is Standard Chartered, and this is for transaction banking. It's a pleasure to be joined by Sriram Natarajan again. We saw him earlier. He's the Chief Innovation Officer for transaction banking. Over to you.
It's an honor for me receiving this award on behalf of Standard Chartered Bank and the transaction banking team. The 5 awards that we have won for transaction banking, including the world's best transaction bank, is a testament of the commitment, dedication, and collaboration across the teams within the bank and the strong partnership that we've had with our clients. We will continue to strive in our efforts to turbocharge digital client experience powered by cutting-edge technology and continuously learn and improve along the way. So my heartfelt gratitude to Digital Banker and the judging panel for recognizing our efforts, and look forward to more. Thank you.
Great hearing from you again, Sriram, and congratulations once again to Standard Chartered. And up next, we have the Outstanding Digital CX Bank Cards. A highly acclaimed winner is on the way, and that is Standard Chartered Hong Kong. And here we have Chan Ka Kit, who is the Director and Head Payment. Mr. Chan?
Hi. Thanks again for the Digital Bankers for this prestige award. This is an honor for me to attend this great ceremony today. And this is also a recognition of our bank strategy and also the efforts from different teams to make this happen last year. In the coming days, we will keep focus on the market needs and also the innovative ideas to further enhance this bank card, because we are confident that these bank cards can benefit our affluent customers a lot. Thanks again for Digital Banker for this award. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Kakit. And the reason we saw this award in the Global Awards category is because it was omitted earlier on. So it's great to be able to introduce you, Kakit, and well done for this initiative. Congratulations to Standard Chartered Hong Kong for that. Now, the final award, again, one that was omitted earlier, is the Best Customer Insights Initiative overall. And this goes to none other than Hong Leong Bank. And here we have Kristin Wong, who's the Manager of Customer Insights. Kristin, over to you to take it away.
Thank you, Nirav. On behalf of Hong Leong Bank, we are honored and humbled to receive this award. This is a true testament to our customer-obsessed culture and why we believe it, where strong customer insights lead to impactful work. A big shout out to the team and colleagues at Hong Leong Bank, who bring to life the vision of HLB Designed by You, which is our online community space. This space has allowed us to engage closely with our customers, get involved in the common conversations that matter, and enable possibilities for them. And of course, we have to thank our customers who embark on this journey with us. We'll continue to innovate in this space to bring it to greater heights. To the Digital Banker and the panel of judges, thank you for this recognition, and congratulations to all the winners. Have a good day.
Thank you very much, Kristin, and congratulations to Hong Leong Bank. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, that was 3 hours. It's like the Oscars of Digital Customer Experience Awards. What a great afternoon it was. If you're joining us, whether it's morning, evening, afternoon for you, it's been a great pleasure being your host, well, your co-host for this event. Thank you very much for all the submissions. Congratulations to all our winners. Every one of you deserves it, and I can't wait for next year.
100%. Thank you so much. I'd like to once again thank all the honorees, everybody who showed up today and were able to deliver some insights. Thank you to the CX World leaders for their contribution to the panel. Some great insights there. Again, we'll make that content available. Thank you so much to all the honorees. Most of all, thank you again for the submissions and the detailed sort of submissions that you've been putting through over the years, really allowing us to provide some insights into the industry. I would like to thank the Digital Banker team for the tremendous amount of hard work that goes into creating these assessment programs. As we did navigate to digital, funnily enough, the work became harder because we've got to really make sure there's two-way channels across each sort of country. It isn't easy, but it's we wouldn't want to do anything else, and it's a fantastic industry to be involved in. The amount of disruption, the amount of investment going into the industry is second to none. So we're really excited to see what's going to happen for the digital economy in the next sort of 5 to 10 years. But there are some dramatic shifts on the way, and of course the Digital Banker will cover them all. Angelique, I think you may be my co-host for the Global Private Banking Innovation Awards as you were last year.
I look forward to it. Are we going to do it live this year, or is it still going to be virtual?
I think that is our final virtual, fully virtual event. But from there, the Global Retail Banking Innovation Awards will be alongside the Digital Banker Summit, which is an annual sort of flagship event that we'll do. And again, that's going to be hybrid. So we will welcome you all back to a physical forum very soon. But today was your day. Thank you so much to the Digital CX winners. Highly recognized and but really well sort of deserved as well. So thank you to everybody who submitted.
So thank you for being with us this afternoon, morning, evening. On behalf of the Digital Banker, this has been the Digital CX Awards 2022. My name is Angelique Teo, and thanks for having me.
Thank you very much. And my name is Nirav Patel, Managing Director of the Digital Banker. Get in touch with our team for anything across financial services that you may want to portray. Thank you so much. Good evening, good morning, good night all. Take care. Bye-bye.